koneme. Adule wanyi wala ko.
Ngabasi.
If I choro koneme. If you look for her trouble,
You there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pray.
asumi mbekata padule.
You there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pray.
Ebu mmongo jeje.
Imama chikololonkolo.
Ebu okene ko jeri.
Imama chikololonkolo.
Ebu mmongo neti.
Imama chikololonkolo.
Ebu mmongo neti.
Imama chikololonkolo.
Adule wanyi wala ngabasi.
Ngabasi.
If I choro koneme. Adule wanyi wala ko.
Ngabasi.
If I choro koneme. If you look for her trouble,
You there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pray.
asumi mbekata padule.
You there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pray.
Ebu mmongo jeje.
Imama chikololonkolo.
Ebu okene ko jeri.
Imama chikololonkolo.
Ebu mmongo neti.
Imama chikololonkolo.
Ebu mmongo neti.
Imama chikololonkolo.
Adule ma. Adule one mama. What in they give you joy? Na masquerade. Adule. Okay, till mo. Go be the man. Kill adule. Fadule. She know they see you your face. Mancha. Wanya de no come mo. Aburo magadu. Obojo banalo mo. Aburo magadu. If you like, call them.
You understand the consequences of what?
Your Highness, I only came to perform like every other masquerade. I didn't do anything wrong.
Why did you not wait to get into that match before I started?
I'm not going to register my team now. They said my team no go perform. Now I decide to lead the team myself and perform for my fans.
No, without trace now. Is it true that that team was rejected at the point of accreditation? Yes, Your Majesty. Why?
This girl now, she's a woman now. This girl here, she's a woman. I never hear or see in this kingdom that a woman is following masquerade. Talk more of leading the masquerade.
Okay, no man. I want you to understand that this show is just a host for my daughter's arrival. Everyone has the right to perform.
Igwe, this is not our tradition. This is not our tradition. Our tradition must stand. We cannot change it because of this. We are not here now.
Okanume, let me educate you further. It's also against our tradition for an elderly man like you to forcibly possess what belongs to his younger brother.
The Jones one ever woke him. In a juke and then a man dog. Emarife, this thing that you just said now, how is it related to what you just said?
Mr. Gion, keep quiet. You are supposed to be protecting Adule. That is what you are supposed to be doing. But what are you now doing? Because we know that you are not in good terms with our mother. And we all know the reason why. So stop pretending as if you are protecting our culture. You are not. We know where you are driving at.
Warn these two men, no. I will not tolerate any of their insults. I'm a fool, Mamu.
Enough of that. Enough. Okay, no man. Lizzy, I want to let you know that this has nothing to do with our culture and tradition. Our man festival usually comes every December. Is that not true? Everyone is aware of that. The only thing that Adu was standing here did was that she caused a chaos in the name of fighting. And as that, we must measure out a punishment, which I want us to suggest what we must measure as a punishment, and that's all about it.
Igwe, if I'm permitted to talk before no, I have something to say.
You are permitted.
Igwe, since our daughter Adure did not commit any crime, introducing the masquerade, then, Igwe, there is nothing wrong in her forcing herself or her group into the arena. Igwe, I even love her calling. Even people love what happened.
Ini Edo, you've said it all. Even the fight was entertaining.
Oh no, you may be mistaken. Yes, she did wrong. She did wrong. And she must be punished. Despite that she's my niece, she must receive her punishment.
You see, this fight we are talking about was against my son and his team. So I'm in the right position to know whether she did wrong or not in your position.
Pastor Ogi. Oh no. Hey! So you have just killed our king now? No, Ibu go ni go bodai. So our king is still sitting on that throne. And you say you have the final decision. Hey! Okay, so where Ibu go bodai. See, I want to make it clear to you that our king is the only person that have the final say on this matter, not you. Ibu go ni anu.
Okano, asimama la pari Igwe.
Ya puru nkegi.
Igwe.
I'm not going to defend over that.
Don't worry. Igwe, sorry. Punishable, yes. But Igwe, let it be little one, not a harsh one.
Igwe, very light punishment. Very light one. So that she will know she offended the others.
I understand the burning desire in your heart to uphold the culture of this land. Especially the youths are all focused on Western education. You are the only one who is turning your face towards our tradition. I salute you for that. You are more better than most of our men. If they choose you to be their leader, it is because there is something they are seeing in you. Having said that thus far, I want you to relinquish your position to a man in your group. That will serve as a punishment.
Wait, just play it out. They go punish us.
No. I will drop my position as the head of the masquerade team, as the leader. I don't believe in her again.
Why now? Why? This don't make sense now. They're not looking at you be our strongest. Why they won't drop their position? I don't like this thing what they do. I don't like them. It don't make sense.
Look. They go whine you. Normally they go whine you, but no panic. Oh, they go house first. Who go fix her? You know all these ones. Who they go?
We will reach house, we know how to handle her. We will fix her. These people.
This don't go where at all.
Come on, why you even allow that girl carry you up like that, throw you on the ground?
Somto, you will not understand. Girl took me unaware.
Oga, she not taking what happened. She not taking any unaware. Everybody know Adure is a girl. Once fight start like this, she likes fighting. You confronted her. You know how to fight her, but you confronted her.
You just allow that girl, just scatter everything.
Barry, calm down.
Don't calm me down.
Of the matter is, Adure took Nzube unaware.
Took him which unaware? Took him which unaware? Jada is supposed to just use one hand to knock. He's there talking anyhow. How did she just fooling yourself anyhow in the village? See, everybody was looking at us. Yeah, this thing they vex me. Don't tell me to come there. He's just fooling himself. He's a fool. He's a fool. You dare call me a fool one time? Mama, point at me again. Don't point at me. You reach get time. You not point at now.
Calm down.
Don't try this nonsense again. Oh, you fool. This guy is a fool. I'm telling you, this guy is a. You don't call me a fool. You don't call me a fool. Calm down. What is it on me? You reach get time. You know if you only. Leave me alone. I don't like this. You guys are doing. Are you stupid? You are mad. Who's yeah, when I feel it's only one hand. Knock for grand. Now you own my shirt. You are mad.
Sabere, calm down. Nzube, calm down. Nzube, calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Touch me first.
Calm down. Touch me first.
Calm down now.
Leave me alone.
Calm down. Calm down. You know the thing. Everybody they mock us. Calm down. I don't tell you to calm down.
Calm down.
Leave me alone.
Calm down.
You calm down. Don't tell me to calm down.
Calm down.
Try this thing again. You are mad.
Calm down.
Try it again. Point at
Sabere, I don't like this. You are mad. I don't like this. You are doing.
Yeah, just this get time. You know if bitter. Me now, if you own my shirt.
Calm down.
Let's go. Let's wait. This is a stupid boy.
Wait.
That's small game.
You don't know what happened there. We should be thinking about how to restore our dignity in this village. Do you know the embarrassment this girl caused us? And you guys are here fighting.
Try this thing next time.
Come on, quiet your mouth here.
If you fight here, I'll knock you this thing.
Igwe, please. This is not a laughing matter. No. Those boys and that girl must be dissolved completely. Abasa Siafa.
Okay, why? Why must they be dissolved? Tell us. Educate us.
Come on, here.
Yes.
So, now in this our kingdom, women that are permitted to join our masquerade. Is that what you mean?
Oh, Kalume. Have you forgotten about the masquerade called Olaga?
Jobia.
This is not Olaga. This is real masquerade that men carry. Okay, they made it.
Okano. Iva Kaliaganaro. Are you sure you are fighting for our culture?
Joya.
Are you sure? Because the way I'm seeing this thing, it's like you are fighting for your selfish interest.
You just on the back. Yes.
Okay, no. Be mindful on how you address the red card chief in that person.
Look at you, everyone is shouting your name, Okanume. Are you a baby? Can't you understand that the world is changing? And it's changing with everything in it. That we now have a woman masquerade, is that a problem? How is it taboo? You now to Ali on.
Iche, future. Maybe you have forgotten that this decision, we made it by ourselves, not the gods.
But you know that the gods are more comfortable now with the female chief than the men. Huh? Please save this your energy for another day.
Hey! Ogine men obodo here. So, you are not telling me that one day a woman will sit on that throne as our king or our queen, eh? Hey!
Okay, no. To further brighten your head, beyond some African countries that women rule, I took all of you here to London, where a woman is leading the name of Queen Elizabeth.
Yes.
You obeyed every rule and regulation in London. I had to bring you people down here to the country before you start thinking that you're in another planet.
Look at how you're bringing shame to me in this village.
Your mates came to the village square to present their beauty and their good character. But Nkegi, Mbano, you led the masquerade to the same event, to the same village square. Why? Why are you doing this to me?
Mama, masquerade is sweet though.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth. Masquerade is sweet oh. What do you know? You have ruined your life, but I will not let you to ruin her own life. No, it will not happen.
Mama, why are you attacking me? What did I do to you?
Why won't I attack you? Why won't I? Eh? Look at you. You fought a man in the village square. You raised him up and threw him on the ground. Don't you know that your actions is not good? It's an abominable act.
Mama, it's an abominable act if I fight an elder. As far as I'm concerned, who I fought is my age grade, so it's not an abominable act.
Just look at you. Look at your analysis. Don't you know that your actions will scare men away from you?
Men. Women help. Look me where I be like, go get time for man. Mama, if they want to go away, they should run very far away. I am not interested in men. Don't they consign me, oh. Don't grieve for anybody, oh.
Hey!
Shoot.
Hey, wait! I know I've lost you. Yes, I have totally lost you. But I will not allow you to deceive your sister. Never.
Mama, no grief for anybody.
Only shut up your mouth. What do you know? What? You are following her.
Okay, don't worry. Let me give you this piece of advice if only you will listen and adhere to it. Nketa hasi na ndi nwike amaghị eji anụ a.
People will advise me.
Nanya, are you not ashamed of yourself that you allow a woman to be a leader over you, the masquerade group that you belong to? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Zugalabo.
Now they advise me this.
Odebwa.
People will advise me. People will advise me. See, my mama, I tell you. Don't be who they lead the masquerade group with the cocoa. Now wait till we dey feed you for the group. How we tell they beat other groups. You dey hear me so? Now we beat you. Now our masquerade group be the latest in town. The highest, the biggest. Yeah? What do you dey talk, sir?
Listen to what Papa is saying. Do you even have idea how my friends have been laughing at me in this village? Everywhere I go, they'll be mocking me because of you. Don't touch me.
Eh? Come on, boss. I can't go. I can't go. Not go ya.
Because I have a friend that
No, now you born for
I'm
her.
not sure.
Okay,
Okay, what if like I give am like 7 years? Now you born am. You have to see the work.
No, you know the work. Yes, you know the work.
See what I tell you, if they laugh you, they laugh your personality, you leave me out of it. You dey hear me so? I don't know you. I don't know you.
me, I don't know you.
Nobody can do it, though. Anompama. Look at golden opportunity the king has given to you now. Well, I cannot believe it. Now that the king has made it mandatory that she must step down, let another person take over the leadership of that your group. Now that the thing has come to you, you are the one who's supposed to take leadership. Take charge.
You take charge. You don't go leave boys alone. You take charge. You gonna took your. You know they respect yourself. See, what I tell you. What is different than this? That is how we wear. We are wear black. Go to follow me. They talk like.
Anompama. You want to buy barret?
See, what I tell you.
You want to buy barret?
What I tell you, don't concern me. You the red. See, what I tell you one thing. You see this girl, I do the way everybody will talk about. What I tell you one thing. See, I do knows our tradition and culture like the back of her hand. What are you saying? See, that girl no tradition. You know our culture pass you. You know if you yourself when you know if what can they advise me?
Well, I don't do myself. Trying to defend you or your group. After all, I've not seen anything you can escape from me. And you will not even benefit anything.
Exactly.
My candid advice is for you to lead that group and face life. There's more in life than this group you are doing.
But that's true. he should just forget about this masquerade of his stuff and just find something reasonable to do with his life. Not every time he should just be walking around the
See, Mama, they advise you. You now, they advise me. You will not sell our family land spending. What thing they sustain? You wear your life, just they remain one bar. Now one bar they owe your life now. You don't sell our properties finish now. If not people when they give you cheap money, when they make you sustain. What do you go feel they do now? Then see this one. You want the advice me, see. Papa they talk, you they talk. Because you dey. Papa they talk, you they talk.
Very, very careful.
You talk. You want know your story.
Shut up your mouth there!
I know your story. I know how they tell you. Thank you for banana tree. Thank you for cocoa tree. Mango tree. Ube tree. All the trees around this village. And they don't wale you to do. Don't write this down. See again.
Don't come.
I won't leave her.
I regret having you as a son. I'm gonna go at least by now. Hey! I will
No, say you bring some ideas into my head. But I'm with you. About use you.
Don't listen to what Mama is saying. No grief for anybody.
Okay, sister. I won't. Anyhow, anybody wants it, I'm going to give them pass plus. No start learning from you now.
Yes. Listen. If anybody treats you anyhow, treat them that same way. Because if you don't, they will take you for granted.
Yes, sister, I know.
The wine.
I know. I won't allow anybody in this village to take me.
Now so, see, forget what Igwe is saying. Whether Igwe likes it or yes. You see that masquerade? I must become the leader. I must lead them. And when I'm done leading the masquerade, I will hand over the leadership to you.
Hey, sister, are you serious?
See, they feel whiny but no panic. Puppy! Now we there here.
Oh. You see, I could not ask the Igwe to stop them, not to punish them, because of what people will say. Eh? On the mother.
Papa, you should know better. Eh? In this world where whether you do good or bad, right or wrong, people must talk. Papa, you should know better.
It is not about what people are saying. It is not about what is in people's mind. We are talking about the reality, the facts. Adu raised you up like my school bag and hit you on the floor. Wow! Like an empty plate. And you're here saying, what do you expect Papa to do?
Chidera, if you utter one more word, I will...
Hey! You do what? Can you get me? What will you do? What will you do? If I type a black for Punafuna, eh? If you see your sister and your friends, you walking, come, you wear muscle, wear morale, what is your problem? But if you go out there, ordinary girl, they took to family, will raise you up and quagga and
But let me ask you, Nzube, this man you are forming to be in this house, why not be it to Adu? At least for once, or one na villager, na Nzube kora Adu. Why not do that? Why bring this shame and disgrace all the time to this house? Eh?
Papa, don't mind him. It is only on my body that he used to have strength, raising up shoulder to beat me because I'm a woman. Go and show yourself, future or no, with disgracing your future.
Chidera, are you talking to me like that? Mama, I will beat Chidera. I will beat Chidera.
You will not do it.
Am I your mate?
Even me, you will not do it. You see that this even enough for night. Use anger in you. Use that anger and go and beat Adure. Use that anger and go and beat Adure again. See, if I were you, Chidera, next time if he tries to beat you, stand and beat him. Yes. Since Adure can beat him, you can beat him too.
See, do you know that when that message came to the Igwe, I was with Igwe, we just laugh over it. But right inside me, if I let me warm, why not? Nzube, Papa, I hope you know you are the next of this community.
I know, Papa,
so
I know.
Why are you bringing shame and disgrace to this house? Kokwana do here for once.
Papa, I'm
You say, you don't know what you are doing. Because when you give one keta with all this your height and your muscle, the person will think that you have something to offer. You have nothing to offer. I'm not getting it to and the man can beat you. Hey!
You are disgracing us. You are disgracing this family.
Hey! Try, Yanya. Try it!
This was small.
Why not be
Why
this
this was
man
small?
you are claiming here to Adure?
Bam. Not your sister.
Huh?
Go to Adure.
No,
Any day you beat Adure.
I've heard you. I already told you. I know what I'm doing, Papa.
Okay.
I've heard you.
Okay.
Lele. Try it. Go there first. Try it. And you stop running from him. Stop running. Put here. Fight him after that place. Also a girl. What is all this now? Somebody disgrace him outside. If he comes back, we will disgrace him.
So, Kahana now know.
If I know they can beat a holding like this, why would Chidera? But online. Because I know that when I was younger, I know that my mates cannot beat me. In fact, are you sure he doesn't look like you?
Look like me. Why did you marry me?
Madam, I beg, you dey sure say somebody did this compound? I dey blow us since nobody dey answer us.
I don't sleep for night. So I say, make I use just 1 minute sleep small. I think you won't come up now.
Can we say? Let me have the keys.
Madam, open gate, ma, come out. Madam, Madam, what happen here now? 1 minute, please. Who should be 1 minute? You don't waste my time outside since. Now you tell me 1 minute.
Mom, can they tell you, say, calm down, you see the shout? You know they fear.
Are you mad?
Hey, you
tell me.
You they slap me. You know who I am, you they slap.
No, which guy take this?
You see the shout. Calm down. Even me say, I am the security of this place. You have to calm down. We'll explain to you later, understand? Just calm down. Even me, I am confused at the moment.
Hey.
Okay. Fine. Very good. Since we are all clear, like there's no gun in this house, so what kept you? My Uber has been haunted. What are you doing? Someone? Am I not talking to you? Don't worry. I'll have it complete.
Hey, you. Face me, I'm talking to you. What took you so long to open the gate?
Madam, I was very tired. I no sleep last night. I said, okay, this daytime like this, make I just use 1 minute, close my eye, but the 1 minute can't carry me far.
You called me words. I heard you call. Madam, like, are you stupid? Now you shut up and listen to me. You address me as your princess immediately.
My princess, I'm sorry.
Better. So you were saying what rubbish, or you continue?
I've been the talk say the reason why I no sleep last night be say I follow my oka come your welcoming party. So as I come back now, come there with me. I don't even sleep throughout the night. I make I come there with.
My welcome party? No, so is that true?
When you're done with your inspections, can you please let this young man leave? He needs to leave. Alright? Free. How much is your money?
10,000.
Adule when you are in Gabasi. If I told Conene. Adule when you are at Gabasi. If I told Conene. If you look for her trouble, you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go tell.
Malikam. Adore. How are you now?
Who's the Ogini? Look, I'm not in the mood to fight this afternoon. But if you want fight, I know they run, no.
Adore. It's not every time fight. Eh? You're too beautiful to be fought with. Just calm down now. Eh?
Which one be? Okay, don't talk with you, carry you come. Step out of the way. Get where they go.
Adore, calm down. I will only step out of the way if you permit me to step into your heart.
Hey!
Eh? Then we can go for a beautiful ride. Adore, I don't like all these things you are doing to me in this village. Eh? You know I have good intentions for you.
God willing.
Are you okay? You see, you don't spoil my sister. I don't like this kind of thing, no. That rubbish be this, so.
I'm not spoiling your sister. I'm just trying to let you know how I feel about you. I like you a lot and I want to take care of you. Eh? I want to be with you.
Chai, I don't suffer. Well, look me, I be like who get time for man. I be like who get time for love. Which kind of rubbish you dey yarn like this come over your mouth?
I know, Adore.
I don't like the way it sound though. You don't dey vex me, oh.
Adore, calm down.
Okay, shift.
Adore. You don't know which son, eh? You don't want to be the one who's screaming. Adore.
beautiful Ugomma. The beautiful wife that my late brother left behind.
Please, Biko, stop reminding me of my late husband, Biko.
Beautiful Ugomma. You know that you are not the only one that is missing him. I miss him too. He's my brother.
He's your brother. A brother you watched die. A brother you couldn't provide for his hospital's bill without his land as a collateral. Is that whom you call your brother?
Beautiful Ugomma, you know, it's not how it happens. No, you know the money in question does not belong to me. It belongs to the Council of Elders. And if it's my power, I can provide the money. Or I'll provide another thing to replace it. You know that.
I know. So what are you doing here?
Why you come? You know, it has been long I've been demanding this your beauty. And I said it has been long that my brother died. At least about 10 years ago. At least you need someone like me to take care of this your beautiful...
God forbid! Just shut up your mouth before you bite your tongue. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone with your impossible demands that can never happen as long as I'm still breathing.
Stop shouting now.
I will shout, oh. I will shout. I will shout until you get out of my compound. Leave my compound.
Fine. Good. I will leave. But I want to make it clear to you that if there is anything you will get or anything that will benefit from me, it ends now.
Benefit from who? Wait, oh. Benefit from who? You! I did not benefit anything from you when my husband was sick! Get out! Get out before I vomit! I benefit from. I benefit from money. I benefit from you never put a mother or broken one. I get benefit from. I want to talk again at this my compound. Let me see you in this compound again. I'm stupid man. Your brother.
Yeah. What are you doing here?
What does it look like we're doing?
Who authorized you to enter here?
I don't understand that kind of question.
Don't you know that this land is still under judgment? Who authorized you to enter into this land?
Uncle, I am very sure I've gone home to see my brother and she disappointed you. That's why you're here.
If I hear that nonsense again from your mouth, I will beat all your teeth out of your mouth.
You go do anything. If they born you were trying. And me go beat you black and blue. You dey whine? She dey lie? You don't come in a match, you don't disappoint you, come here the yarn the potter. What did they work you?
You will beat me?
Try am now, see am here, touch am, beat me.
We shall see.
I'm no Mpama.
We shall see.
Oga say ba po.
I do the one you are never see. If I tell you come I do the one you are never see. If I tell you come.
You busy? You all come from outside. Do anything bad to me. Please, if I'm trying to advise you, and don't go like this, okay? Bye-bye. No, the other time, before they complain to you, don't get back to work. Then they find me in my shirt. Congratulations. My shirt here don't come.
do the 3 days of trial. Nelson, what is it? What is wrong with you? Why are you doing this to me? I just got back. Is it because I suspected you? Fine. I'm sorry. Sorry, okay? I promise I'll make it up to you.
Blessing, how are you?
Princess, good morning. Welcome back. Nelson, who is this? My friend, who are you? No way. When did you become this fat? I mean, you're not mature.
Thank you, ma.
Oh, please, it's not a compliment. You shouldn't be working here at all. Leave!
Seriously?
Yes! Seriously! With this breast?
Seriously?
Yes! Seriously!
Blessing, please go to the kitchen and prepare the menu for today.
Okay, sir. Nelson!
Yezi chimuji makamo Wemeya sisiemene
Ugomma. Ugomma, so it has gotten to this level. So it has gotten to this. It has gotten to this level. It has gotten to this level that you told your daughter to insult me. Abi? Ugomma, a peaceful conversation that we had together. We are not quarreling. Nobody fight each other. So you told your daughter to insult me. That's no problem. I take it with faith. But let me tell you, I will be back. I will be back soon. Nonsense.
Hey! He told a peaceful conversation. Mba! Obra starts a peaceful conversation, no peaceful protection. Anumpama. You told your daughter to insult you. I'm for balls. A peaceful conversation. You know, you're not conversating here. Like what called?
See, I have a very strong feeling that this year's Masquerade Festival is going to be very tough. And we need to improve. We need to step up our game. You know?
You are right, Simple. But how do you go about it?
See the number one thing. We need to have a masquerade costume. That's one. Then we need to have a traditional uniform for the rest of the team. And besides, we also need ekwe, ogini, and a bear.
You are right. But we need to recruit more people. Because the three of us cannot do it now. Some people need to be maintaining the temperature of the masquerade and somebody needs to be blowing the flute. Three of us cannot do it.
Exactly. You know, we are on the same page. Of course, we will recruit more people. And besides, we don't need to use sticks anymore. We'll be using cutlass. With that, nobody will dare to fight us. They give us chance. Everybody will give us our own. Yes, now. Afraid of us.
Uzube.
What is it? Look at this young man. He's talking to you. What is your take on this? What we are discussing about the upgrade of masquerade?
What were you guys discussing about?
What are you even talking about? What are you talking about? I know you're nonsense.
We are here talking about something important. If you be saying, babe, this guy they think about like this.
So, okay, calm down. See, I have a very good idea. I just thought about it not too long. How about we form an alliance with another masquerade group?
You don't know what you are saying.
At least you can make a great team now.
Yes, now.
What are you saying? We are talking about upgrading our masquerade costume and uniform, buying some things and again we need for the masquerade festival. You are talking about joining another team. Is that the best opinion here?
See guys, calm down. Nobody should calm down. I have a very, very good plan. How about we form an alliance with Aduri's masquerade? You know they're also the #1 in this town too. Like that, we have a very perfect team.
You dey crazy. This guy dey mad.
Come on, for here, dey mad. Yeah. In fact, yeah, you will maybe you know. See, more dey go. Come on. Come on, Kowano.
Come on, guys. What's wrong with what I said now?
Come on, guys.
Let's sit down and talk now.
How on earth will your brother be in love with that girl?
My brother? In love? How do you know my brother is in love with her?
Okay. What else is the explanation of she always lifting your brother up every time? Or don't you know that one finger like this is enough to bring a man in love with you down?
Please, Ukamaka. You and this analysis, leave me alone. I don't want to laugh.
This one is not analysis, so it is the reality. I keep wondering how my brother, who is a gang leader, will submit himself and his boys under her. My brother is in love with her also.
Hey, wait. I'm beginning to put one or two together. And this is making sense, so.
Both of them are in love with her. The only difference there is your brother is reasonable and my own foolish brother is unreasonable. That's the only difference.
There's sense in what you're saying. Seriously, I'm beginning to see meaning in this. Like,
okay, just now.
Yes, I'm beginning to see meaning in what you're saying.
I only said the truth now.
Meaning in what?
Mama, good morning.
Good morning, no more asleep. You look as a kanka. Because both of you are jobless. Your mates are there looking for what to do to better their lives. None of them are. I can say your brothers are topics of the day. One, the one with a reasonable brother who thinks that her brother is unreasonable, and the one with a reasonable brother who also thinks that her brother is reasonable. They are asleep. Asleep na your bala. Oh, who na bubble? No. Continue. No, I just want to remind you that I'm inside. If I hear my name from your mouth, just gossip about me. Wow, Mama, wow.
Adule one mama, what in they give you joy? Na masquerade, adule. Okay, till you know, go be the man, kill adule, fadule. She know they see your face, mancha, one yard no one more. Abura magaju, obuto banalo mo, abura magayo.
What are you trying to hide? I have seen it, and I know you take it. I am glad. This is the only thing you know how to do very well. You don't steal, and you don't commit any other atrocity. You are a totally useless son. To change them.
Now you useless, pass me now.
After Muleb.
Now you be the after now. Nothing do you. Come on, you know that music? Say this one, I will change up for you. No.
If you like, call them Memo. If you like, call them Adamo. No matter who you be, respect your age.
She called that she's back, but stopped by at Lagos to see her fiancé.
Wonderful. Thanks to the gods for her safe flight.
Oh no. I'm telling you that a royal blood touched her father's land and the only place she could think of was her fiancé's house.
Igwe, I thought you know our world has changed. Yes, I remember you supporting civilization. So I don't know why you are complaining.
No, this is quite different. We're talking about royalhood. She's supposed to come for me to welcome her before thinking of anywhere else.
Igwe, we are now in a society where women play big roles, bigger impact. And you know that. These days, women rule. So, and you supported it. So I don't know why you should be complaining because it has come to your side.
What else do you do after cooking?
I don't understand your question, ma.
I mean, after cooking for my husband, Nelson, what do you do in this house?
Ma, I just distribute the food and leave.
What do you mean by distributing the food?
I just serve Oga's food and serve the gate man's food. I put the remaining ones in the fridge.
Where do you usually serve Oga's food? Where?
At the dining, ma.
Okay, that's fair. Apparently, what are you making?
I'm making vegetable soup. If you don't mind, I can teach you my style.
Are you mad? No, are you stupid? Are you trying to say that I don't know how to cook? Is that what you're trying to say?
Annabelle.
Yes?
What in God's name is wrong with you? Why do you keep slapping my workers like this?
Your workers are animals. They are animals. They
You're
don't
the
have
one-
morals.
You are the one who's been acting like an animal. Really? You need to stop. Right now, stop.
They should behave. Move.
Lesson, I'm so sorry for this. I promise you this will never repeat itself again. Alright?
Okay, sir.
So that's it. That's it. You're shouting at me because of that thing.
Urong mama out of Facebook. Urong mama out of Facebook. Yeah. Hey, make her chat them. Hey. Madam, nothing. Madam, good morning.
Where is Nelson?
In come out this morning.
Can you talk like a human being? So, Nelson left this house without letting me know? Really? To where?
Madam, no vex. That question now for me.
Are you mad? Monkey.
just a slap person anyhow. Just a slap person anyhow. Don't worry, eh? As long as I am concerned, one day you slap your destiny. If you don't slap your destiny, so what would you have on the play game? You think that my kind of person what if you do anyhow? Your days are numbered.
Adule one mama, what things they give you joy? Na masquerade, adule. Okay, till you know, go be the man, kill that girl.
What happened just now?
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry.
Wait, you touched my ash.
Sorry, Adule.
I don't understand. Did you just touch my ash?
I'm
You mad? Yes, listen. You mad? Is that listen? You mad? You mad?
They talk about 200,000. What are the reason that 50 million? The time on it. What's happened?
And this guy are beating my sister.
I don't understand. Who they beat my queen?
Oh, yeah.
I don't go punish you now. See my play now. Anywhere I catch you, I don't beat you. Anywhere I catch you to say, I go beat you. Aye. Now my yes you talk.
No. Stop it. Stop. What did you just play now?
I just walk out my own. Now to touch my hand.
No. Yes, we never touch. Let's go to touch. Yes, we have a plan to arrange. So we don't know maybe the governor will govern this entire community. God, you're going to buy my cat. You don't buy my cat. By now, but don't let your head.
She's arrogant. She's a full package of trouble. I still don't understand why she's betrothed to me. I mean, she acts like the world belongs to her.
Nelson, she's a woman for Christ's sake. Not that you people have spent a lot of time together. Give her time, she will adjust.
You give time to a woman who's calm and calculated. Not a woman who flares up at every given second. She will slap or beat up anybody anytime she wants. I'm sick and tired of all this stuff. I'm tired.
Princess Annabelle should be a good girl. I know her father and mother when we are young. No. Annabelle is a good girl. Maybe something is bothering her or she may be acting out of her reason.
Give me one reason why a woman will not trust a man when a man has not shown her any sign of infidelity. Alright, now, the other day she came back from the States unannounced. Bashed into my house unannounced. She searched every nook and cranny in my house, searching for what I do not know.
It is serious. So she did all this.
That didn't just end there. She slapped my gate man and also slapped my chef.
What was her reason?
She said the gate man wasted time in opening the gate. And then she slapped the chef because she tried to correct her, show her better ways of making a particular meal. Why would she do that? Why would she be that angry all the time?
That's serious.
Very serious now.
No problem.
Very serious.
We'll look into it.
See, this thing, guy, I don't like what you guys did. Did I authorize it? Why did you put hand in what does not concern you? Why did you interfere in our fight?
Zube, what are you even saying? Eh? That girl was already feeding you with sand. You know, feeding her with sand. Don't you see what's happening? I was trying to come from behind, flip her around, push her on the floor. Then you just come from nowhere.
And I talk, Gumma.
Flip her how? How were you trying to flip her?
Yeah.
Show us how were you trying to flip her?
Guys.
Person where they give you sand chop.
Guys, let me tell you something. It's my fight. It's not your fight.
See the head talk.
Stop interfering in what does not concern you. I've told you guys before. Eh? You will not make this girl now. She will hate me.
Imagine. You are the typical example of love is blind.
No, wahala.
Why not confess that you are in love with that girl?
Leave am.
Confess.
Leave it. I love her. I'm in love with her.
This girl is
And wait. Let me warn you guys. I don't want anybody to interfere with our matters. Leave us alone. If you see us fighting, pass your own. Go.
See how you go chop sand tire.
Get up from there, Jare. Why
we no go chook mouth? Our own brother is falling in love with blind
man. You know, I won't try to. I won't hold her from back. Push her like this. You chook mouth.
Let me save your life.
I don't like it. Don't save my life.
Father must hear something.
Try it. Let me see how the wait time.
What is going on here, Ochendo? What is happening?
As you know, some people, they mad. You don't get respect. You see your other brother, they do work. You don't feel great. You come here and check you. What was? Okay. If you want to know what's like that. Okay, as you don't get respect, make I tell you. This family where you see like this don't commit atrocity. And like this, you want barricade their gate. Nobody is going in. Nobody is coming out. You hear me, so? Until they go do the needful, they go kick out. I mean, I can't go kill you.
Meaning what? Do you realize this is Onowu's compound? My father, the prime minister of this community.
In this village, oh.
What did you just say? You say your father is the prime minister. Prime minister, my gosh. Listen, let me tell you. You are the one that is instructing your brother to commit atrocity in this community.
They touch people that show.
They touch Ike. Listen.
My sister.
Stop now. What's the problem?
My sister was now going to the farm and your brother tapped her buttons, And he even sent his friends to Peter Ogabi. Come and enter now.
You know that?
We are sealing this compound, sealed by Omu.
That's not possible. My father is inside. My mother too. Mama!
If you like, go and call the president of this community. You will know how fast
he sent his friends.
Let's see you
My daughter, the princess, said that she will return by weekend. And with that, I want us to collectively, come with an idea on how to host her. Are we going to host her in a big way, throwing parties for her arrival, or what do we do?
Igwe, big party, the Wamma. But I didn't see your daughter as someone who loves parties. I see her as someone who loves privacy.
Oh, that's correct. But Dikeh is going to buy one. What do we do?
For me, since your daughter does not love big party, there's no need for us to throw another one for her. Rather, we will welcome her back to the palace quietly. Moreover, I am of the opinion that we employ a maiden for her.
Good idea. But we'll do that when she returns and not before she returns. Hello. Take your call. Our meeting is at official now.
Hello? Why are you calling me? I told you I'm in a meeting. What? What nonsense is that? Okay, I've heard you. All right.
With the tone of your call, I know that all is not well. What is the problem?
Igwe, Adure, and Ochendo, and those rascals sealed my house with palm fronds.
Hey, I knew it, Igwe, I knew it. Whenever there is problem in this kingdom,
Adure name must be mentioned. I got about
What's going on here?
I am here with you people. How can I know what is going on there? What do you mean? How can you know what is going on here? Yes, how can I? Tell me. I'm a Tiga can. Let you know. Igwe, don't mind this man. He's a deceiver. He's a deceiver. Igwe. My useless niece.
Oh, you're useless niece. Good. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
My useless niece led his nonsense son to Nollywood's house. And you are there saying that you don't know.
Ichie, please, I will not want you to call anybody useless. I have not condemned any of these children. Yes, so I don't think you have the right to condemn them.
That's enough. Enough. Guard! Take another guy with you to Nollywood's house. Bundle Adure with her gun. All of you should bundle them to this house. Immediately. Move now. Bundle her to this place. Imagine Adure.
Hold on now. Let's see. I'm very tired.
Just know that I got my eyes on you. He won't always be here to protect you. Know that, okay?
Blessing. See, I won't give you fatherly advice. No, don't look at me like this. I am an old man, just that I am cheated by nature.
Say what you want to say.
See, waiting I want advice you be say. You see that New York offer what you been telling me about? I will make you accept them. Yes.
Really?
Accept it. If not, you go just there this house die one day. You see for that kitchen where you dey. One day go just fry tomatoes before you don't know when you go jump enter inside tomatoes. So.
It's okay. But my problem is, why is Oga not seeing that this woman is full of trouble? She's evil-minded. What is Oga still doing with her?
Yes, now Oga no go feel separate from her now. Yes, this woman is betrothed to Oga. So traditionally, they will stay together till they die. Yes, even if this woman carry machete now kill Oga, Oga go just there like that. He no go fit do anything.
You're being funny now.
I'm not funny, but my concern is about you. Blessing. Sure, you know you are not betrothed to this man, our Oga.
I know.
So it's better you find your way now that you are still alive.
I will think about it. Thank you.
Okay. Now me you have called my name for this house. I make I like you. What are they called in China?
So remove this thing, no.
I don't even know. I don't even know what's happening when my mother is not coming. Mama!
Papa!
What you do now? Look to stop this thing now.
If not because of tradition, I will even cut your mouth and tie your leg to and join.
What is happening here? Okay, they go. We don't invite you.
What is happening?
They pass now. They send you of an errand. They come here. They do anything.
By the power bestowed on me by the ego of this community, I have the authority to remove this.
Yes.
I will send you. You don't talk. Say I will send you.
Yes.
We beat you.
The two of you and you two at the palace.
Oh, beat this guy. No, beat her.
Immediately. Yes. I can go inside. Shame on you.
Hey, forget to see. Happy.
Princess. Mommy. How are you? I'm fine. Mommy. You need to say it. I can see that.
You can say that again. They're not looking bad as well.
Thank you. Well, I bought these for you, but they're still on transit.
Wow.
Hair, shoes, bags.
Really? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So whenever they are ready,
trust me.
I'm available.
Trust me. Daddy. Good day, Daddy. I'm fine, Daddy. And you? I can see that. Good to see you all. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Sit down.
Thank you.
Hi.
Now say.
You?
So you're here? So you left the house without telling me? If not, I came to see Mom and Dad. I didn't even know you're here.
I was actually on my way home. Meet me outside if you're leaving too.
Mom and Dad.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'll come back to you. Alright, see you.
Greetings, Igwe, and greetings, my elders. I only stopped her to have a conversation with her, but she moved quickly and my hand mistakenly touched her back. She thought I did it intentionally.
Hi, Igwe, it's a lie. He did it intentionally.
Nkemjika,
Igwe.
you and your sister have said the part of the story and we all listen to you. I don't want you to interfere when someone is giving a narration about what happened. Uzube, go ahead.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. May you live long. So she confronted me and we started fighting. Then my friends, Tonto and Dabere, came from behind and tried to separate us. Yes. I was even upset because I was trying to give up.
Igwe, it's a lie. My sister lifted him up and brought him down to the ground. She was already beating him. I even put his hand in his mouth before his friends came to fight my sister.
Nkemjika, have I not warned you not to truncate the process of this meeting before now?
Sorry, Igwe.
Don't try this again. By the way, Uzube, what she said, is it true?
Yes, it's true. Adore took me by surprise and I didn't even send them. I was so upset with them. I was trying to turn her back lift and give her before they came.
Yeah, simple question. Is it true or false? In red and
yes, it's true.
Ochen, why did you sail on Noah's house with a camera?
You know, my love and leader here so we should do it.
I'll do it.
Your Highness.
What's the secret behind that?
Your Highness, now our culture. For this community, anybody when commit must collect. Any masquerade group has the right to seal up anybody when commit offense compound. Now maybe the leader of the masquerade. This guy go kill goat too. You need to appease the gods. And maybe the victim, you need to appease them. Otherwise that compound will not go open ammo. It don't sup for ammo, it don't be for you. Sure? Your Highness.
Your masquerade is not a registered one.
Oh, therefore you cannot put laws into your hands. Your masquerade is hereby dissolved.
Before you will assemble your masquerade again to perform in this kingdom, you must pay the sum of 300,000 naira for registration. Again, keep an arm's length away from Uzube, and the same thing you do to her, Uzube. Stay away from Adure. Yes. If I hear that something of this magnitude happen again in this kingdom, I will take it personally.
What I don't understand is why Princess will come here without informing anybody as she was coming.
I can see what my son is passing through. And for your information, he wants to end everything
Well, I think it's rather too late to end it. All she needs is a proper orientation on how to follow her man. That's all.
As her age, I don't know why she is bitter. Because I sense bitterness in her.
I would suggest rather I will invite her over to the house. I will sit her down, talk to her. You understand? Then I will know what her problem is.
Well, if you can do that, I will be happy. Because I won't allow my son to be unhappy in marriage. That can destroy her.
You're right. You're right. Whatever it is, I believe they can sort it out. Princess used to be a very nice, sweet girl. I believe after talking with her, she will still come back to that same person we know before. Don't you think so? Don't worry. I will do my job as a mother.
But no, I bet that Adure will beat your son. Even if she's waking up from sleep, he will still beat him.
Zube muscularity does seem no good. What can Adure is far more stronger than him.
yeah, you know, come on, that's Zube who's it there.
You see, my son is better than your own son, Okwon.
How?
Are you asking me how? You don't know? The way Adure controls your son everywhere in this village, you don't know about it. Go and steal, go and kill, go and do this. Does she do that to my son? The answer is no.
Igwe, let me tell you the truth. I don't like the way you're pampering that girl. The way you treat that girl. You have pampered her, Igwe. Very soon, you will give her wings to fly above the heavens.
Okay, no, man. What is your problem with your niece? That you won't allow that girl to have peace for once?
And one day,
she didn't fight you. She didn't insult you. She didn't wrong you in anywhere. But you always attacking her.
The problem is for her, I want to remember man. Igwe, I'm suspecting this man. It's like this man want to come from behind and begin to chop at Ugu.
That's what you are looking for. Is that not what you are looking for? That always, even that's what he's looking for. That I'm always pressing to attack the mother. Do you think we don't know?
How money long ago? 300,000 naira. How what you raise that kind of money?
Yeah? Say, the fact here is that the Igwe does not want us to continue the masquerade business. So, he doesn't want to open up to us.
See, me and Afi say these people, they know what they do. Check them now. 300k na small money. Them no say we no go fit pay. Now what they tell us more than that amount. You know say Ono and Igwe they together. Igwe they do this thing because of Ono. The one use that they favor am. Check them now. See am.
Well, I want to understand something. When I won't give up, how much be the registration? Oh, we no fit pay.
I don't understand. We go fit pay? Wait, we go fit pay 300,000 naira.
How many are we? We be 4. 75,000 naira each person. If we are focused, we go pay this money. Nothing there.
You say focus. Focus. Take a look at me. I don't have anything doing. I'm jobless. Just ask me, where will I have that money to raise? Eh?
Since this year, I never even touched 5,000 naira.
Wait. I want to understand something. You don't have anything doing. But you get money to buy weed and drink every day. See, we have to start saving money. So we can meet up with the masquerade registration. Henceforth, no more smoking and drinking again. Everybody save your money. We're not going to miss this masquerade registration, no. I don't talk my own.
No be person will get job, they save money. Since this year, I never touched 5,000 naira, call on my own. Even say, my papa told they rugged my papa pocket sometimes, say they pay well. They say, I don't understand though.
We don't hear you, but make I not lie. You know, good easy to save money. Oh. But as it be so, we not get choice.
We get choice, and the choice is saving. Everybody start saving now. If I'm not going to smoke, I'm not going to drink again. Make we start to save.
Eh? 300k. Where are we going to get it from?
Those rascals feel go back to stealing. And now then we go come catch them and we go burn them. That's true.
Or maybe they are free mother. We start prostitution and raise the money and give it to them.
You just stop all these things you are saying. Just stop all these things. I'm not happy with the way this situation just played out now. Seriously. I'm not happy with it. Eh? Even my dad is upset with me. See the way the young girl is being punished because of me. I don't like it.
The way you talk at times, I don't really understand you. Don't you know if that girl was in that same position, she would do the same thing?
I wonder.
You always pity her. That is my problem with you. I was carrying love with that one.
Every year, everybody for the village don't know say that girl dey beat you. You dey support her. This guy dey misbehave. You dey fuck up.
Either today something.
Which kind thing be that one?
So you feel the way she was handled now was right. You feel it was the right thing. People will see me as a coward now. That's even my own anger here now.
Guy, I love it.
I don't even know why I met you guys. I
Please.
I bet Mona just get out. I bet.
Where you going?
I bet leave me may go. Very anyhow person.
Lover boy.
They mumu for love.
Lover boy.
Us why?
Leave me. I'm trying to pack out on I love you. Are falling in love.
What is wrong with you, Adure? Why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you scaring possible men away from you? Huh?
Mama, Nzube can never be my suitor. God forbid.
Who is talking about Nzube? Do you know where your story have gotten in this village? The female masquerade that fights men. Eh? Don't you know that this your character will stop responsible men from approaching you?
Upe. Mama, what will be, will be. Who's even interested in marriage? Me, I don't have time for marriage, yo. See, as you see me like this, anybody will look for my trouble for this village, I go give her to them, woto.
No problem.
Mama, no grief for anybody, yo.
Shut up your mouth. Adure, please, I beg you in the name of the gods. Stop spoiling my last hope. Stop taking her around the village. Stop it, please, I beg you.
Mama.
Will you shut up and go inside? Get inside!
Mama, is there food in this house?
If there's no food in this house, no grief for the kitchen, oh.
Yes, so.
Sure. The wine.
Hey! Adure, why are you doing this? Where have I wronged you? Huh? Get them simejogi.
You are beautiful. You are intelligent. You are elegant. You are classy. You have this all, but your character is zero, mama. Many are looking up to you. Don't disappoint them. You are present. You are the commander. Mellow your heart. Put your big princess. Many are looking up to you. Don't disappoint them. You are present. Not a commander. No, do pass yourself. I'm a princess, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Blessing.
Excuse me, sir. There's something I want to discuss with you.
And what exactly do you want to discuss with my husband?
With all due respect, madam, I'm not talking to you.
Annabelle, stop.
What did
All
you
right.
just say?
Annabelle. She wants to talk to me, so go inside.
Sir, there won't be any need for that. I just want to let you know that I'm quitting this job.
Oh, better.
Why?
I got a better offer. And I wouldn't want to be cooking in this house with the princess of the world. So, I'm done.
Blessing, we can sort this out. All right? Let's talk about it.
No need, sir. There's nothing to sort out. I would rather live in peace than live in pieces. Nice doing business with you, sir. Bye.
Nice decision.
Control your temperament.
Hey, stupid! Open that gate.
You don't know what tomorrow will be.
Open the gate, monkey!
Don't neglect people.
Get out!
Don't underrate them. You wanna mad
Idiot.
Remember, pride goes before them fall. Many are looking up to you.
Nelson,
That's the secrets that disappoint your presence.
Okay, you can order. Now, you won't order food for Oga. You go begin the order security because I will soon quit this job. Go order security. If you know order security, do go the other on me.
Listen, Papa, everybody mocks Ashley because of you. And you are not ashamed of it at all. If I had a Maggie.
Papa, it's not my fault. I always tell you, it's not my fault. Adore always attack me from behind. I will just be walking on my own. She will just come from behind, hit me, take me on her way.
Hey, unawares. Have you ever allowed me taking you unawares before?
Will you shut up your mouth, Chidera? What do you know?
Don't mind.
See, listen, all I'm telling you here is step up as a man. Be a man for once. Do not allow that girl to be beating you up and down.
Papa, what do you want me to do? Are you advising me now to beat a lady?
No, I am not advising you to beat her, but that she should not beat you again.
Well, that's the same thing now. If she doesn't beat me, then I will beat her.
Beat her. Oh, beat her if that is what will restore your dignity as a man.
I cannot beat a lady. I cannot lay my hands on any woman. How many times have Papa beat you? I've been here in this house. How many times?
Have I ever beaten your father? You can,
you can. No. But see, the Igwe has made it easier for you. That you should stay away from her completely. Now, if you cannot fight her, stay away from her. Because any more disgrace in this community, again from that girl, I will be the one. The one I will do to you, you will not like it.
No problem.
You will not like it.
I will stay on my own. I cannot beat the lady. I cannot beat the woman.
Hey!
I cannot beat Dikeh. You allow a lady to beat her quaggy hands down.
You know what? Somebody that take me on her way. I will be walking now. She will just
on her way. You said take her on her way. Take her on her way.
Hey, is it that they did not hear that the princess is coming back today or what?
Even if she had, Vigo have already suspended her masquerade. So what is she going to the palace to do again? Look at that.
And the only good clothes she has is for her masquerade, nothing more. Let's go, please. Sister, aren't you the one those ladies are talking about?
Leave those people, they are worthless to me. Right now, I'm only in my mind.
Maybe please stop the car. I want to drive.
You want to do it?
I want to drive.
Why?
Please, I just want to be the one. I want to drive. I want to be the one to drive to my father's house. Please.
Alright. So, you sure you're used to the terrain? Huh?
I will beat you. What are you trying to say?
Don't worry, let's go there. You have to slow down.
This is how I want to drive to my father's palace.
Which simply means you want to kill everybody before you get to your father's house.
Can you please allow me? Leave the road!
Done.
It's not your fault.
Slow down.
It's your fault.
Please allow me to drive. What is wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? If I didn't stop, I would have killed someone and they would blame me. Next time, if you bring your dirty body to my village part, I will kill you myself. Idiot! Get lost! Now say! Get out! Idiots! Dirty things! I said get out!
You are elegant.
Get out!
You are classy. You have this all, but your character is your mama. Many are looking up to you. Don't disappoint. Don't disappoint. They will present you. You are the commander. Mellow your heart.
Sorry, you'll be fine.
Is that not Adure and Dikeh? What happened to them?
They actually came for treatment. Someone mistakenly knocked down Dikeh.
Yay! Who is that person that doesn't know Adure and her sister in this village? There's fire in the mountain.
Please, I am not in for your cheap gossip this afternoon. What do you want?
I need some drugs. My mom is not feeling fine. She's having headache. I don't know.
You two left early to welcome the princess. What happened? Did she come back again?
She's back. But I will advise you girls not to go to that palace.
Why? If I may ask, why?
On our way to the palace, the princess slapped Ukamaka for no reason. And she almost fought with me. I'm telling you.
Slap? I don't understand. Please explain to me.
Explain more.
Hey.
What other explanation are you looking for? If you're doubting us, go to the palace. Then you know what happened.
This is serious. For now, she's very, very angry. So, just don't worry. Later, I'll give you the full gist. Trust me.
Let's go.
I beg you. Go where? Do you think the slap is a lie?
I know that they're not lying. But it's none of our business.
Really?
Yes.
It's none of our business. If the princess could slap the daughter of an elder, a respectable one at that, and even intimidated the daughter of Ono, who are we? Tell me, who are we? Please, I'm going.
She has a point. But I don't understand. Slap. Ha.
Hey! From one trouble to another every day.
Adure, what kind of a child are you? Now you want to kill my daughter for me?
Mama Biko, this one is not her fault though. It's not her fault.
It's not her fault oh. It's not her fault. What are you talking? Eh? Who injured? Why didn't she injure? Huh?
Mama, why are you sounding as if helping you cut firewood is now a crime? A car almost killed us and we don't know who the person is.
How will you know? How would you know who he is or she is when you make enemies everywhere you go? As for firewood, Biko, stop cutting firewood for me. I will pay people they will cut for me. Biko.
Adure, Wemo, Tosa, Adure, baby, mo. Yeto kwase maka, no ga de mama. Adure, baby, mo. Ta, yeto kwase me se, no ga de mama. Ewan yeto kwase maka, no ga sobu. You know this one. Asa Dogu. What's up? Of course we heard what happened. Huh? Do you recognize the car?
Yes, I saw the car. One big black car.
We'll go find her. We'll go find the car. Sharp. Yes, we'll go find the car and the person will definitely pay for damages. Trust me on this one. You know what I can do. Eh? What's up, you like someone manners? Yeah. Let's go.
Hey! Look at them! Fools!
Adule one mama, what in they give you joy? Na masquerade, adule. Okay, till you know, go be the man, kill adule, fadule. She know they see you face, mancha, one ya dem no come more. Aburo magaju, obojo banalo mo, aburo maganyo. Adule, oboda fugo wanyi mamo. If you like, call a memo. If you like, call a madam. No matter who you be, respect your age. Adule no care for anybody. She know they see your face. Adule when you are never see. If I tell you come Adule when you are never see. If I tell you come if you look for her trouble, you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go tell. Asumi make a Adule, you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pray. Ebu mo go jeje, mama chikolo donkolo. Ebu kene go jeje, mama chikolo.
Hey, Papa, I was so ashamed of myself. I didn't even know what to do.
Sorry. I should be like fermented cassava. I want to know what to do. After you go, they say, what you do with Adure? Why you follow? See, I tell you, Adure na man in woman form. If they say Adure, this kind of thing happen to. Baba Adure go Adura. Who be the princess? Mugu. Common princess, they beat you. Are you not a fool?
Oh, Chendo. What do you expect her to do? Fight the princess? Is your when is a Ubana?
Baba, it's just you beat your first son for night. You know what's in my bag? They beat me for night. And they leave you because money never did for burial. So what you go do? Princess not be your fellow woman. You know if you beat princess, you go just stand like Mugu like this. Princess go they slap you left and right. If not me, now you could just raise shoulder. You go raise shoulder. I don't want to leave you. Now based on say Papa they support you. I never get money for burial. But just knock 2 up in a joint.
The very day you will punish your sister, that day you will know that I was just allowing you to fool yourself, and when you get to your brim, you will correct yourself. Don't worry.
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Like this. You don't sell all the family lands. Take I go to play draft. You don't help me. You don't do anything for me for this life. They tell me, say, see, but I tell you, see, I just wait you. Eh? Calm down. Now my baby, now do they go arrange you. Any day when you do anything for my side, I don't go talk. I don't just go arrange. I do they go. You know, Anna.
Brother, wait. It's not because I left Princess Annabelle. Any day I do they come close to me, I will remove all her teeth. Make she try me. She should try me. I will just remove all her teeth.
You don't see where they cook. You don't see where they cook ogbono soup.
Yeah.
They go they cook ogbono soup. Beef go relax. Cow tail go relax. Azumangala go relax. Mama go dey raise hand. Mama go dey raise hand.
And you be that moment.
I don't go. You know what I mean? I don't go pieces you.
Make she come. I go come all her teeth.
Try me. Ochaka omaka. Dala.
I'm very sorry. I said, I told him one way back. I regret having you as a
See that way until they come back. You don't go play draft finish.
I know.
Don't advise your mother.
Thank you. I will handle this. I know. You take it, Jan. We go.
Listen, I haven't spoken with your parents for a long time. I hope you are fine.
Oh yes, Your Majesty, they are fine. They sent their regards.
Oh, that's fantastic. Now that my daughter is back to the country, shouldn't you be planning for the wedding?
Yes, I should, but I have to make plans for my parents first. Meanwhile, Your Majesty, while I was coming into the palace, I didn't see any palace maid.
The palace have no maid as it stands now, but not to worry. I have already sent message across to the town crier to, make plans for new recruitment now that my daughter is back to the country.
So who cooks your food, Your Majesty?
Oh, most of my guards are fantastic chefs. They are specifically employed for that purpose.
Oh. So when are they going to the kitchen? Because I'm very, very hungry.
In the kitchen. No need to bother.
Okay. That's good.
You're welcome.
Meanwhile, Your Majesty, there's something I would like to tell you.
You always come with the noise. You're welcome.
My Igwe, I'm very sorry about that.
It's okay. You're welcome. No,
thank you, my Igwe.
Yeah.
Welcome, Eugene.
Thank you very much. Please sit down.
Thank you, my Igwe. Igwe, as a matter of fact, I am not here to waste your time. I am only here to relay the message my daughter told me last night. She told me that your daughter slapped her on the way back to the kingdom.
How is that even possible?
Your Majesty, it is true. That's exactly what I wanted to tell you before you stepped in.
Oh. But this charm, I do not trust you, can be too powerful. I don't want to kill those my late brother's children. No. But their mother is pushing me to do that. No. I cannot do that. I believe there are many other ways to kill a rat. No, this charm. The other time, they are very powerful. In a man, I say give me a horse or in my horse. No, there's another way to kill a rat. I will do it the other way around.
How could you do that to people you don't know anything about?
Father, I know, but...
Oh, so you know them, and that is why you have the guts to take her. Have you seen what I keep telling you about? You have done so much dimensional characterization, and that is not how you were raised. Listen to me. You will go to Ichie Okwono's house and apologize. What? That is exactly what you are going to do.
My Igwe, there's no need for that. I don't like a situation whereby one is forced to apologize. Rather, let her do it at her own time when she feels right. However, warn her not to do that again to my daughter.
It will never happen again, Ichie.
Take care.
Your presence not sets me. Leave now.
Maidens of our land! Maidens of our land! Please listen and listen very good. Igwe said there is vacancy in the palace for palace maidens. Recruitment will happen tomorrow. The pay is very good. Please apply in person. Maidens of our land! Maidens of our land! Please listen and listen very good. Maidens of our land!
Hey, this is an opportunity for me. I will go and apply for this job. Yes.
I have always known that you don't like your life. Oh yes, please before you go, dash me some of your clothes. Sign your death warrant. In fact, write your will because I want to inherit some of your clothes because I know you have nothing aside from clothes.
Inheritance? And how do you mean? I don't understand.
Well, I am sure you are not aware that Princess Annabelle slapped Okwono's daughter yesterday. Yes, on her arrival. As if that was not enough, she had the guts to beat the hell out of the Onowu's daughter. Are you serious? Do I look like a joke? She fought it on Ukamaka.
Hey. It's a lie. See, she only slapped Ukamaka.
Even if it's just Ukamaka that she slapped, why would she do that? Does it make any sense to you? It is also important to know the reason why she slapped them.
They did nothing. Believe me. Only family.
They did nothing. You know I know you now. You are my friend. I know you very well. You can add stew to whatever thing you say.
That is not true, Sha. She's only acting arrogantly. Doing as if she can fight the entire villagers.
Yeah, I would have also applied for that job, but you guys are the one discouraging me. I don't want anybody like this now. I don't want anybody that will start molesting me.
I don't want to. I beg her molest me. Come on, leave me.
Go and apply now. And I will slap you like. I won't collect that job.
You don't too talk this to you. Which job you want collect?
The palace job.
Wait, Aduri. I hear you, Wesu. You mean say you won't collect the palace maiden? Ha! Mena, you won't be Agunwani, Iron Lady among kings. You won't come go be palace maiden? No. You know if you work now. Why now? If you work.
Almost right now we go drop steals and composure. Until like Iron Lady, I need money. We need to raise money. We could register the masquerade team. If I not work for the palace, I go take get money.
But it no make sense say you can't go dey do palace maid because say you want raise money. It no make sense now. Abba.
You get another job for me. I be job dey this village. Eh?
Look. You know say you na my chima. I no go see where fire dey burn, say make you carry hand pull. Because last na me go still suffer around. You hear me so? No be say I go stop you, make you no take the job. But you go fit endure this princess anger. That girl too get anger issue. You go fit endure.
If you get anger na for her pocket too. I dey focus na money they carry me go the palace. You dey feel me? Anything when anybody do me for that palace, I go bear am because I need money. We need to raise money. Time don't they go?
Aduri, you and I know. You and a para. You para like Vespa. I'm not sure say you go feed Bieramo.
No, she dey para. But I believe say nothing go fit happen to my babe for palace. So anything will happen to them. Baba, we go burn down the palace now. Sure. Don't they worry you. We go burn down the palace now.
Sharp.
No, I'm not. No, while if you don't reason and finish same and like what I want to do. No problem. I don't sign on.
Okay, man, good one.
I don't sign on. Enjoy.
I'm not in support of it.
Mama, why? Are you not the one that said I should leave your firewood alone? What else do you want me to be doing?
My daughter, you can do any other job, but you will not work in the palace.
But Mama, why now? Are you not being wicked?
No, my daughter. I am not being wicked. I am trying to protect myself from being called a bad mother by the elders.
How, Mama?
How? Don't you know your sister again? She must surely disgrace me at the palace. So she will not do that work with my consent. Mbam.
That means you're saying I can do it without your consent. Thank you, Mama.
You will not do it. You will not do it.
Mama.
Will you shut up?
This year is not good for anybody. You know, because of my bone, I would have gone to the palace.
No, thank God. No. Thank the gods for your injury. You people will not kill me. Oh. You will not kill me in this house.
Chidera, you have to accept the offer to work in the palace until you find something else to do, you know?
God forbid.
Huh?
Papa, I will never work for that arrogant princess. Never.
How dare you call Princess Annabelle arrogant?
Papa, it's like you haven't heard the latest. Mama, you haven't told him.
This is everywhere now.
What now? I'm all ears. Okay, tell me.
Update Papa, Mama.
Princess Annabelle on her way to the palace almost hit Ukamaka and Chidera. And instead of coming down to apologize to them, she came down, slapped Ukamaka and fought Chidera.
Wait, when did this one happen?
Papa, it happened yesterday. On her way coming into the community. The only offense we committed was greeting her. That was why we did not come back to the palace.
How come I did not hear this? As you know, well, I'm not running here. Huh?
Now you've had it, so my daughter will never work for her.
That princess is very rude. Yeah, very rude.
Thank you, Mama.
Aduri, an ordinary pauper, a village rascal, coming to look for a job in the palace. Hey! Wonder shall never enter. Let me pick it.
Oh no,
Your Highness.
I sincerely apologize for that event of dismay. I have cautioned her. That will never happen again, I promise.
You see, I am not mad about what happened, honestly. You see, I'm only shocked that I get to know about it just last night.
It's tough. It's tough.
It will.
Yes.
Somebody is here for the job.
Does the person have a name?
I do the masquerade killer.
Please tell her that there is no vacancy left for the job.
Igwe, do you have anybody else for the job?
Is there anyone else outside there waiting for the job?
Just her.
Just her alone.
Igwe, I suggest she should wait until other maidens comes.
I thank you. Tell her to wait. Look at it, watch it.
How do you? Oh my God.
This will live forever.
Good morning, Your Highness. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Okechukwu.
Have those clothes, wash and iron them immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
Okechukwu, what's your duty in this palace?
Most importantly, sir, protecting my king and everyone in the palace.
Good. Please kindly forget those clothes and go back to your duty post now.
I don't understand. Why are you looking at me? Move. Pack the clothes, wash and iron them immediately. Move.
Okay, Chukwu, I am her husband. I have high authorities here. Okay, so I command you, forget those clothes and go back to your duty post now.
Take, are you stupid? Come here, you! Look at this rat! Nelson, what is the meaning of this? Like, what's the meaning of this?
Listen, we have washing machines in this palace. Why don't you go downstairs and use one of them to wash your clothes? Stop all this, please.
I should go downstairs and wash my clothes when we have guards. Guards we pay to do chores.
Well, those guards were paid specifically to protect the king and the royal house, and not to wash your clothes.
Wait, I want to understand. Nelson, you want me? Princess Annabelle? Like, you want me to wash my own clothes?
Her Royal Majesty, Princess Annabelle, if you feel too big to wash your clothes, then you have to wait until your father hires maidens that will do that for you. I would not ask a man who has been paid to guard the palace to wash my clothes. I would have you do that.
Jeez! Honestly! You're so irritating! You're beginning to irritate me!
Oh, I want to do this to you. I don't understand. I don't know what to. Since what they tell us about this money, all of us are just fold arms. We just fold arms like nothing they saw. Wait, we dey relax like this, make Adure go dey find this money. I don't understand. We will be men, we just fold our arms and Adure go dey find money.
You know what? Now I realize say na nyash na him dey use dey think. You know they use your brain or your sense dey think. You just big for nothing. So you dey expect me make I go find money. Listen, Adure, na our leader. You understand me? So make she find that money herself.
You dey shameless, so. Na craze dey worry you. You dey shameless, so. I think say you get sense. Now she be your leader. Make she go dey find money. Make my Adure go die looking for money and you go relax. You go come here, I go buy you beer, you go drink, buy you smoke, you go. Then say you go stop to dey come here. Make she go dey find. When they worry you.
Well, like I say, if you no understand, now I know say you be full confirm woman rapper.
Yeah, I be woman rapper.
In the sense say you dey try to wan support Adure. Say Adure no fit bring money. If Adure no fit bring money, you as a man, you no fit bring money. If you no fit bring money, that means you are a woman rapper. Listen, may I tell you, on I be, make Adure bring that money, or nothing solve me. But anyhow when it be, me, I don't get job for this time. So I don't know how I want to get money. You understand me? Anyhow when I want that, make it do it. But wetin I go tell you, see, how we want to help ourselves for this community. How we want to help ourselves. Wetin we go do to make life better for ourselves.
I make her call you, God. I don't too reason her. I don't too reason her. Baba, as I dey think about it, and don't be like say make we still hit the street again. We just hit the street before we go run one or two. Money go surplus. We go run the matter, then still there with the little check you go get.
You see, now wetin make I say you just big like bolo bolo, just big for nothing. You no get sense. You dey use nyash dey think, You no get sense. Make I go back to street. Listen, God forbid, make me I go back to street. The one when God don help me, save me, I come out alive. You say me I go back to street again. Oma male,
you don't even supposed to come out alive. Because when men dey for main road with AK-47, they snatch cars. They do better robbery. You dey for village, they carry goat, carry fowl, they carry clothes where all these widows hang for barbed wire. Now wetin make they want use stone kill you?
E better for me. Because they say a living dog is better than a dead lion. But I no wan go street, make I no go buy for nothing.
So wetin you wan come do?
More dey this village. Do another better thing wey go give us a good living. You understand?
Wetin be that a better thing? You don't get bad name. Me, I don't get bad name.
On I be, we go plan well so that we go fit arrive well.
He did not disrespect you, my princess. Rather, he respected your husband, who is the Lord over you. So don't put it on him, okay? Nevertheless, we are recruiting new maids, and as it is, we have one person left outside, which the guard has gone to call in. Do not worry, okay? Oh no, Igwe, let's streamline our discussion so we know how to begin.
Igwe, let me just ease myself and press.
Okay. I said, calm down your nerves. Everything will be alright.
Okay. Fine. I'm waiting.
How can you be only Adure that come for this job? Okay, let me take care to you. Adure, let's go.
Well, that's a good resume. Don't you think that you need some little lecture?
You're honest. She's here.
I greet you, Your Highness. Greetings, my princess. May your days be long.
You're welcome, my daughter. It appears that you're the only one who has applied for the job. Are you sure you're ready for this job?
Yes, Your Highness, I did ready for this job.
Oh.
Father, that would be necessary. She can start immediately.
Oh. I would like to notify you that you have been employed into the palace to be a personal maid for the princess.
All right. In that case, come with me. You have clothes to wash.
No, we never reached that way. We'll go talk about my salary first. Money, very important.
The monthly salary for that is 50,000 naira.
Your Highness, money na 150,000 naira.
Why would you want to collect such an amount for the service you're about to render?
Is it not obvious? Not only me apply for the job. It means say work will go plenty for this house, work will go too much. So the money need to match the work. You understand?
Dad, it's okay. that won't be a problem. Alright? So come with me. Like I said, you have clothes to wash.
Yes, my princess. Thank you, Your Highness.
Adura whatsoever. You call yourself Adura whatever. Come here and ask me that stupid question again. Wash my clothes and you're asking me stupid questions. Idiots. Lazying around. I pay you so you will come here and lazy around.
Nonsense. Yes? What is it, Nelson?
That's the girl you almost knocked down, that sister the other day.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm that serious. Recognize her.
That's not a problem. What's my business? She's now my maid and so? Did you change anything? Knocked down, she's in my house and as a maid, it's not a problem. Or do we have a problem? Of course. No? Well, I'm not done with you, stupid.
I'm a city boy guy. It'll be here.
Man, you do always do.
I mean, you know,
man, you.
Like say, you know, they inform.
Now, man, you.
Man, you know.
Man, you, now, juju, man, you, use the do. Juju.
Adure.
Man, you, now, juju.
Adure. 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 Ìwọ̀n tó kà sí mi sí lọ́gà dé mo mọ́. Ọ̀pẹ tó kà sí màkà ìwẹ̀lìwẹ̀ lọ́gà dé mo mọ́. Ìwẹ̀lìwẹ̀ àṣà. Yeah? Are you? Get it! Okay. She don't get the job. She don't get a job and monthly salary na 150. I swear to God.
Oh, damn it!
Oh my God. 150,000. Papa.
Hey!
We did you already.
Are you serious? She don't get a job.
They joke.
Hey! You know what?
We don't achieve it.
In fact, everything does you. Would have a car. We're supposed to celebrate.
I swear to God. My papa drink now, they tip now.
My daughter, you look very tired.
Mama,
Eh?
she's not your favorite daughter.
Before Uncle.
Because of 150k.
This is the first time I will allow you to talk as you wish.
Mama,
my dear,
working in that palace is not easy. That princess is very rude, wicked and heartless. She's very annoying.
My daughter, forget about the princess. Just focus on how to raise money for your business. Endure everything.
Mama, business of what? We are using that money to register our masquerade first.
Mas what? Don't let me forget my fingers. Wow. In fact, at this point, you have to shut up. Let me talk to my daughter like a mother should do.
Mama,
my dear,
it's okay. I will save money for the masquerade. I will also save money for business. 5 months is enough to save enough money.
My daughter, please. Please. Forget about this masquerade of a thing. Focus on how to raise money to start up a business. We are talking about your future, your better tomorrow. Please.
Biko, can you come and massage me? I don't tire. Body they pay me.
We all played your sister.
See who is massaging. Look at who is massaging someone.
Biko, Mama, you are even on my leg now.
Hi, how can this princess will come and be an obstacle to my daughter? 150,000 naira. It's not a small money. In fact, I will pray, I will bind and cast everything that is coming from that princess. Jehovah, you must put her down in Jesus' name.
I really confirm today that Princess Annabelle is arrogant. Honestly speaking. But I was surprised that Adure was so calm and loyal. So surprised.
If truly she charged such amount, that means she's trying to raise money for the masquerade.
Hey mama, that is true. Adure will give her hard-earned money to those fools.
Is it your money? How is that your problem?
Come on, make sure no there. It's your business.
Is it your money?
It's not my money, but mama, she has to spend the money properly now.
You are very correct. She has to use that money in a very good way. If not, she will see hell in that palace.
Manana, why would you say that?
Annabelle has so much bitterness in her heart. And I believe she will maltreat Adure.
Papa, that one is not true. It's not the Adore I know. Nobody on this planet Earth can maltreat her or humiliate her. Not even Princess Annabelle.
But she has to choose one. Either choose to make money or fight it. So,
oh yeah now. Oh yeah.
Mpadure.
Mama, I beg you. Adore.
What do I owe this early morning visit?
Igwe, can you give me a seat so that we can discuss like titled men?
Sit down.
Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, I heard that you employed Adure yesterday as your palace maid. Do you think that's a good idea?
What is wrong with that?
Your Highness, you know that girl too well. That girl is full of trouble. Because if anything happens, don't call me, Your Highness. You know, that girl doesn't have a good reputation. By the way, why do you even employ her?
Don't tell me that this is the reason you came here this morning.
Igwe, that's why I'm here. Because if anything happens, if you call me, I will not respond. I will not talk anything. Yes.
It's obvious you don't have anything you want us to discuss.
Igwe, quiet! Igwe, no drink, no even cola.
No problem.
I will go. Igwe.
Guys, I'm so happy for Adure.
Hi. Why would you be happy with such a girl? She's our rival.
Somto, I have told you times with that number. We don't have any rival. We are not in competition with anybody. You guys should just calm down.
See, honestly, once that girl registers a masquerade, you know the real her. Uzube, you need to calm down and understand what we're saying. Just calm down. Like, yeah, from my own perspective now. Uzube, why are you doing this?
See, relax yourself. Like I told you guys before, we don't have any rival. Sometimes you need to just relax, celebrate people so good things can come to you. When you see somebody moving forward, you should be happy with that person. We are not in competition with anybody. I've said this time without numbers. Please, guys.
That girl is our rival. Be happy for her.
See nonsense. See nonsense when you talk with your man. Okay, if you don't get what you go talk, shut up. Just keep quiet.
Somto, shut up.
Yes, now. Shut up.
Somto, I will deal with you now if you say stop.
Okay, go tell you shut up. You don't go do anything.
Stop this thing. What's wrong with
you? Imagine this guy.
This small Somto.
Stop this thing.
Stop. Stop this thing, guys. You are here. Stop now. Stop.
morning.
Good morning, my beautiful princess. My name is Ichie Akanome, uncle to the girl you employed yesterday as your special maid.
Okay. Ichie, is there any problem?
No, there's no problem today, but tomorrow there will be a problem if you do not do something fast about it.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Well, what I'm talking about is that girl, she's a troublemaker and a husband snatcher.
What?
Eba na koyoko. This place na koyoko.
Ew.
Yes. If at all the Igwe consulted me before employing her, I would have said no.
Ichie, are you sure of what you're talking about?
My princess, this is our conversation. No other person should hear it. Watch that girl. Watch her closely. Watch her steal your man from you. Don't say I did not warn you.
It's okay. Thank you so much for the information.
You are welcome, my princess. I'm going.
Many are looking up to you. Not disappoint them. Don't disappoint them. They will present you. You are the commander. Mellow your heart. One, put to a big hero.
Just imagine. So Adure is in my room with Nelson. All in the name of cleaning. And her uncle said she's a husband snatcher. So actually, Adure came to my house to snatch my own husband. Really? She's playing with fire. That will happen over my dead body.
You don't mean it. So she's now working in the palace? Huh?
It's not about working in the palace. But she can't last in the palace.
You can't talk too much. This is your man who put inside trouble one day. Eh? Somebody that took a job none of us could take. And you're calling her names. Ha! As for me, if she can stay 2 weeks in the palace, me, I will apply for the job. Oh.
2 weeks is even too much. Immediately she's done working there for just 3 days, I'm going there to apply.
Okay. You're not Adure. Hope you're not forgetting yourself. Adure is more stronger than you. She can resist what you can't.
Tell her. I don't understand. What are you insinuating? Okay. How many heads does she have? Tell me.
This is not about heads, oh.
Okay. Tell her.
Adure is strong.
Tell her.
Very strong, oh.
Okay.
Yes, so she's very, very strong. All we should just do is just to wish her well. Yes.
Simple. Your mom.
It's fine.
I do the one you are in the never see. If I told you, I do the one you are never see. If I told you, if you look for her trouble, you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pay. As me make it a bad you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pay. Ebu mongo jeje, mama chikolo lonkolo. Ebu kene go jeje, mama chikolo lonkolo. Ebu mongo neti, mama chikolo lonkolo. Ebu mongo neti, mama chikolo lonkolo.
What are you still doing? You're still making breakfast? For how long? Like, I don't understand. Ordinary breakfast, you're here lazying around. Are you okay? Like, are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? Listen to me. I want my breakfast ready in 10 minutes. If not, you'll see what I will do to you. So I paid you heavily to come here and lazy around. Rubbish. Get back to work! If you like, you can sleep there. Lazing around all the time.
Adure happens to be the only girl in this kingdom that accepted to serve you. So stop shouting on top of her intelligence and her service to you.
Father, are you trying to say I shouldn't correct her when she's wrong?
And what's wrong has she committed since she started working for you? Tell me, one wrong.
Well, that you haven't seen anything in her bad character doesn't mean that I haven't. That girl does anyhow.
She does nothing but work for you with all diligence because she needs the money. Alright? So stop this accusation. Stop them.
Nelson, what is it about this girl that you always defend her? No, tell me, is there any hidden agenda going on? Yes. Is there anything going behind me? Tell me.
Excuse me.
You're not excused.
I'll answer the question. There is nothing going behind anything. The problem is that you have refused to grow up. You have a lot of growing up to do. Give that girl a breathing space. She's working for you. Prove to the people of this kingdom that you are not who they think you are. This is the truth you can get from me. You can't get it anywhere. I'm your father.
My dear,
This fish,
they
are big. Oh.
I am surprised the way things put money in the market now. Do you know that this fish, one is 1,000, one 1,500.
This fish?
1,500 per one.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay, Nyaruruana, what have you come to do again?
Nkemjika, you did not see your uncle.
What is the essence when you always bring bad news? Eh, uncle?
Well, Ugomma, I have come to tell you that I am not in support of your daughter working in the palace. No matter how much she's being paid, you know her. I don't want her to drag the name of this family in the mud. You know your daughter too well.
I know her very much. Thank you, Ezigbo mmadụ. Ngwa, Hanlele. Hanlele!
Now what I will go.
Start going.
But don't say I do not want you.
Start going, Mr. Warner. I think we na one more.
In a thousand.
Yes, so.
You will go, my brother.
Ị ga-abịa n'ụta ga-atagbu onwe gị. Ị gara n'ụga atagbu onwe gị. Ị ga-abịa atagbu onwe gị.
I am sure he has done something bad. Because whenever he does something bad, he goes around pretending to be concerned.
And whatever he does against this family, we turn to be the best interest of this family.
Yes, sir.
Our ancestors are not asleep.
He say, Mama.
Now, ma pium 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 pium.
Your Majesty, this is the best meal I've had in a long while.
It's delicious. I never knew that Adore is a good cook.
Yes, she is.
Behind us, Sabi cook. Every woman on a normal supposed know how to cook.
Not every woman knows how to cook. Some believe in buying food out of exclusive restaurants and hiring intercontinental chefs to make their meals.
Me, I Sabi cook. In fact, I feel no Sabi anything for this level. You see that cooking? I Sabi am. That's not my area of specialization. Now my colleague be that. I dey cook. One woman no go Sabi cook. I beg any woman when no Sabi cook, make they throw away the woman, they throw am. Make they put her for dustbin, make they cover the dustbin. You know why? A woman go there, no go Sabi cook. See if I be a man, that kind of woman near me, I'll kick am. Woman no go there, no go Sabi cook. No. Any woman no Sabi cook now, dumb baby now. Now waste to generation. Now generational curse, they follow that kind of woman when no sabi cook. She's cursed.
Annabelle!
Mama, this one no more.
Bonzube, why will you fight your friends over a girl? A girl that doesn't value you. Are you normal? Can't you see that this girl is tearing your life apart? Meeting.
Mama, I am madly in love with Adore. Can't you see it? It's so clear, it's so evident. And I can't withstand the fact that you guys say bad things about her always. I can't, Mama. You should leave my Adore for me now, Mama, because leave us alone. Leave us. I'm tired of all these things you are saying, Mama. Please.
Hey! He has confessed. Mama, he has finally confessed. He loves Adore. Eh? Mama, your son. Get out! Adore agrees.
Adore, I want you to endure whatsoever Princess Annabelle does to you. But just in case you can't endure it, you can as well quit.
Morgan, no quit so. Now money carry me on this place. I dey very focused, eyes on the money. I need money to solve my problems. I no quit.
Nelson, I must tell you that I'm surprised that Adore here could be this calm. I can't believe this still. Usually she is that stubborn person and always fomenting trouble.
Your Highness, I feel they stubborn but I know they troublesome. All my fight they justified. Now Princess Annabelle be the stubborn one. She's stubborn where?
And who is troublesome?
No, Your Highness, you know they troublesome. I they joke. I be they joke.
You're joking?
Yes, ma.
Who is joking with you?
Who is joking with you? You don't see him now. I just see I know they like you. See him now. You see this is what you do now. Don't try him again. Don't slap me again or you they mad.
If I slap you, what will...
No try him! I should not try him! Stop it! Stop it! Adore!
Why is this leg swelling up after all this medication, after all this salt water that I've been applying to it? Just look at this side.
Mama, easy now.
Eh?
Mama, this was one now. Mama. I don't touch her face. Sister.
I did it.
Sister, this one you came back able to.
I'm done.
Okay. Yes. You know she stressed you with yesterday's work. So, you had to finish on time.
You don't get it. I'm done with the job.
Yeah. What happened? How?
Let's just wait. She's on call. She'll come and tell us if it's true or not. She'll be fast.
Oh, come on.
Hey, I went to your house. I did not see you. Do you know what? My brother has finally confessed his love for Adore.
This one, nobody's responding. What is happening?
Chidera, calm down. Chidera, calm down. We are waiting for the latest updates.
Do you know Princess Annabelle slapped her 2 times? In return, she slapped Princess Annabelle 2 times.
Yes, very good. That's just alright.
Yes.
Hey, I love this.
It did not end there. Oh. She lifted Princess Annabelle up and hit her on the ground.
Hey, I love this.
After slapping, it is a piece of time.
Are you leaving because of her?
I'm leaving because of you, but not her.
What did I do wrong?
You know, if at this point you do not know what you did wrong, then you have a serious problem.
Are you trying to say that I have a bad character?
Judge yourself.
Control your temperament, you. You don't know what tomorrow will bring. Don't neglect people. Don't underrate them. We are all equal. Remember, pride goes before downfall. Many are looking up to you. Don't disappoint them. Don't disappoint them. You are present. You are a commander. Put up your princess. Many are looking up to you. Don't disappoint them. You are present.
Nelson, such a wonderful and a vibrant young man. Wonderful talent and a handsome man from our kingdom. But why is the princess crying? You have your opportunities. You have everything at your beck and call. But you misuse it. Nelson, we love you forever.
Father, you're going to sit down here and watch him leave?
Did you think of what my reactions would be when you were busy humiliating the only maiden who accepted to serve you?
Come on, Father, what you're saying to me is so unfair.
Annabelle, ever since your mother died, I've been trying to work on your tempest, but it's beyond me. The main purpose I sent you to the States for your masters, thinking that by the time you return, you would have had enough of growing up done. But I was wrong. It was you who made your fiancé bolt out. It's the same you who will go out there.
Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person.
This is the 50,000 they paid me off with.
My dear, I support you. This is the first time I support what you did. But you know what? I will pretend as if I don't like what happened. I will beg Igwe on your behalf. Inugo.
Mama,
And
you two don't agree for anybody.
what nonsense?
Where is she? Where is that stupid girl that have sworn to disgrace the name of this family? How dare you? How dare you let these filthy hands on our princess? I have seen. You have chosen to disgrace the name of this family, Abi? How dare you?
Hey, shut up! Okay, Nkita. Before I open my eyes, get out of this compound. Leave this compound at once because I will not grant you what might happen in the next minute.
What will happen? Tell me what will happen. Will your dead husband arise? Will he come out from his grave?
Beat him! Don't beat for anybody.
Don't beat for Come and stand now.
Every time, okay, Nkita now, ma chum na this family. Agunwa. Okay, one. At this point, I support you. I support you. On Orange.
Before you ignore this girl, our plan don't scatter like this.
I don't know, what do you talk now?
Yeah? You're supposed to stick to the plan. Leave the girl alone. You don't scatter everything the way we plan.
I don't understand. What are you doing, Yan?
Hey, Mama, don't mind him. I deal with you, I support you, I gidigba with you. How can someone just slap you 2 times, then you say make you keep quiet a little? Who does that?
Me too, I support you. I like as you beat am. No make sense. Hey, but I get one question. How fit you get the money? And the money be the cocoa.
See guys, monkey. Igwe pay me off. He knocked me 150,000. I give my mama 50k. Now that's the day.
Hey!
Hold on.
Adure!
Wait, hold on tight oh. I don't want your story until the money go complete for the masquerade registration.
Adure, hey! You talk about CVC. No, God damn, mama. You want to talk about Semaka? It's your pa. It's your pa.
See, guy. No, I know they joke. More now all this money. It's not easy to get money. Man, fall out now. My uncle, before I come here, I'm not going to correct beating just now. I won't go my house, I go, be like say the guy feel retaliate, make they on guard.
No, observe.
We go see now.
There's a part 2.
My G!
If you want quality, put call.
There's a part 2.
Run am over.
Put call, let me go play some.
Run am over. We go come carry the dead body later, nah. Just jam and clear grass. Now we be ambulance, so we come carry her. No wahala, no snow land there.
Hold that money tight.
Hold on.
You super glue. Hold on.
Oh boy, no want me so.
Okay, we'll change it. Give me this money so that I can keep it for you. Eh?
Abasi, as you tell they disgrace me anywhere I go. See, man, me and Maid, they just man like this, they discuss. You can't carry. You never see money before. Why they do like this? Why can't they disgrace? Which one they say I give you money? As small pikin wey I be, we no fit keep money. Why they talk like this now?
We'll change it. Now you born me, I been and me born you.
And your father born you.
Okay. If na my father born me, that means na me born you. And as I born you, I must take care of you. Both spiritually, physically, and mentally. I want to keep this money safe for you. So that when you people need it, I will provide it intact.
This money get you good.
Okay.
Very good.
Listen very well. Waiting old man sit down. See, if you like make young man climb the rock tree, you know go see and Sam. Yeah.
Papa, that one na old days, na olden days.
Old man don't see anything.
You know, shut up for behind. When they worry you, you want to follow my papa, they talk. Hey, no, try him, when they worry you now.
He dey pour for our money.
I don't know, try him again, no. Papa, you want too much, oh. They carry on. Central Bank of Nigeria. I don't see how you want to secure our economy. Thank you very much.
Don't worry.
There you go.
Go to look yeah, madam.
Man.
Okay.
You take care of me. You don't do anything for me. I make a
yeah, man.
Only from now, my man.
Only from now, my man. All right.
No. You don't clear road for me now. I make an insult. You don't something. You don't clear road for me.
Money will the horse, no carry.
If you see what this lady did to me, you slap me.
For the first time, I saw someone beat her up like a child. And the Igwe didn't flex a muscle.
Are you serious?
Yes. As a matter of fact, he paid her off.
Paid her off as in how?
I mean, he paid her a monthly salary complete.
This is really interesting.
One thing both of you don't know is that I and Igwe God has had many conversations concerning Annabelle's character. And Igwe is ready to do anything humanly possible to make her change.
Dad, I wish there's something we can do to change her. But the matter of fact is there's absolutely nothing that can change that girl. Nothing, Mom.
Listen, let me tell you people. Changes comes from within. She's the only one that can change herself and no one else.
I wish she could change. I really wish she could change.
A girl like Adure is not someone you can win with a soft act. You have to show her that you're a very, very strong man. Prove to her that you are a real man and that you can handle her.
But Mama, how will I do that? Tell me now.
Call her out for a fight and defeat her.
Mama,
so
you're advising me to beat a woman? A woman that I love for that matter.
Mama, you don't have to beat her with your fist. But for the number of times she threw you on the floor, throw her back and step on her. With that, Mama will be a real man. Then you can defeat her. And when that comes, you put the love. You start coming, you start loving you. When you know that you are the real man. No woman wants to love a man who is not strong. A man who is agile, who is strong. That is kind of man that he wants. I'm not going to say
It's like you have a point. So if I beat her now, she would like me.
Man, she knows that you're a real man.
Yeah. I'm looking for one Miss Adure. She's a masquerade head. I don't know her father's name.
Adure?
Yes.
Why are you looking for her?
I have a business proposal for her.
A business proposal?
Yes.
I know her.
Alright, please, can you take me to her house?
You mean now?
Yes, right now.
I want to swat you and I talk small so.
Alright, get into the car.
I will take you to her house now.
Alright.
I'm coming right away.
My king, may you live long. I have come to plead on behalf of my daughter. Please forgive her. She's a very stubborn child. Please, my king, forgive my daughter, please. Please.
If I had punished your daughter yesterday, she wouldn't have come home to you. But I bear no grudges with her. I have pardoned her. You may rise.
No. Please, I want to be on my nails. There's one thing I want to tell you. Your Highness, my late husband's brother came to my house yesterday. He insulted my late husband. And my daughter couldn't bear it. And she beat him.
Did she injure him?
No, she didn't.
She should have injured him. And then I would be glad that she break his bones into pieces. Why did she beat him up to pulp? I caught that man in my CCTV where he was the one architecting the problem between your daughter and my daughter.
Your Highness, one more last thing. Please, I beg you. I want you to retake my daughter to be your palace maid, at least for this month, so that she can have her full salary. Please. Please.
Woman. Your daughter is no longer working with the princess. There is nowhere she can be retained. Besides, I paid her 1 month's salary for the service she rendered. Didn't she tell you? And I don't want you to make further requests still in this position. I ask you to stand up.
No problem. I'm sorry. I'm okay like this. She told me. I meant next month because we need the money. We really need the money. Please.
Well, your daughter will get a job somewhere else. There is no vacancy left in the palace. Nevertheless, I will send someone to you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you. May you live long. May you continue to live long.
Oh,
thank you so much. Your Highness, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. May I take my leave?
You have permissions to do that.
Thank you.
Adure! Come. You get person wey get business for us now. And it be like saying a masquerade business. So, I beg. Oh, check matter. Oh, God, go online. Eh?
Oga Nelson, what did you do for here?
Adure, you know him?
I said I'm Nana, Princess Annabelle husband to be.
Don't tell me.
Adore, I actually came to see you. I have a business proposal to discuss with you.
Business? Hey!
Yes.
Kita, this is the car. This is the car that knocked us down and broke my leg the other day. Yes!
What?
Yes, sister. This is the car.
You sure what did they talk to?
Sister, this is the car. So it was your girl. Hey!
No,
now you enjoy my sister, you call base.
Hey!
Yo, calm down. Alright, calm down. We can talk about
What should be calm down? Akata, go call all the boys.
Eh?
Release them.
You don't buy market, oh! You don't buy market! No worry, I call for you.
Eh?
No worry!
Oh, guys, crazy, please.
You enjoy my sister, now you run. You Ben Johnson.
You must be. I didn't know I injured your sister.
Eh?
Okay, let's talk about this. Oh my God.
Oga, everything when we spend to this leg, you pay. Yes.
That's why.
See, the leg don't be pain.
Sister, my leg.
I'm so sorry for that, okay? I'm so sorry for that. That's why I said you can.
Oga, you go pay, abi you no go pay.
Fine, I'll pay. Alright, I'll pay. How much is the money?
150,000.
He's very correct. 150,000 naira. Get the money. Oga, you go do fashion. These my boys come here, they go do you nonsense, they go do you shit. They're not well. Now mad boys they be.
Let me get the money. Okay?
Bring her.
Bring it.
That's when I go they misbehave. Why you go jam person, you go wrong. Which kind of thing be that? To say you go kill a munko?
Oga, fast now.
Give her.
Give me.
What happened here now? I don't tell you say buy market. You buy market. Hey, you buy market. I said buy market.
You don't say so.
Get up. No, by now, hold on. Buy blue, Just go down. You don't say it already. Don't worry.
Adore, like I said, I came here so we can discuss business. Okay?
I hear you. Yan.
I'd like to discuss with you privately, not before this boss.
Eh? Oh my meal. You know if we work, as you see us like this, we'll be one blood and we are team. You know if you work, anything when you want to talk, you one blessed man. You know I say that. See, do something, just see me come on. We know they go in now.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't come here to discuss anything. I came to talk to our party.
Oga, you know they hear? You know they hear wetin we talk? We know they go anywhere, talk wetin you want talk. Money, don't pay. We never even see the money for eye.
Says who? Take. If you add this to the other one, to be 200,000, and we need 150,000 to register our masquerade. This one is for my mother. You can go.
I'm of it. No wahala. They have it everywhere. Don't see. Hide me. Anything when you just talk. You just, immediately just go. Just.
Fine boy, no match line.
Yeah. Go carry out.
See guys, I'm sorry about everything that happened. I understand the fact that I messed up, but We need to stop keeping malice now. We are still friends now. Eh? And also, see, I've promised to deal with Adore. I promise you guys. And I'm serious about it.
It's a lie, and I know you will not do it.
See,
no, you will not do it.
Listen, I spoke to my mom last night. We had a very deep conversation. She told me that the only way Adore can respect me is when I defeat her. And you know, I want to do everything to make that girl respect me. So I am ready. I cross my heart this time. I will fight Adore.
Wanda, the question now is, are you sure you are going to do it? So it's not to talk.
Tonto, trust me.
Are
I
you
will
sure?
fight Adore this time. And I will deal with her. You know me now, Tonto now. You don't know the way I this is my fist. Yeah?
Dabere, in that case, you know say that day he beat me. That day no carry and go back now, no go show and small thing.
Well, guys, now we don't need to be fighting like this now.
Are you sure you are going to defeat her?
Try me this time, you will see now. We are guys now. You don't need to be fighting.
You leave Adore that you are supposed to be to come and be beating me.
Sorry, now you said every time.
Let's go now. Let's go now.
Listen. Mama. Are you sure my daughter's life is going to be safe in your house?
Mama, she's safe 100%.
Okay. Adure, you will go with him. She's going to go with you.
Thank you.
Go and prepare.
Why should be go and prepare? You never ask me whether I won't follow Ram.
You will do it. You will follow him. Ha! Since you are not wise enough, you are going to work to replace that 200,000 you gave to those boys.
Mama, the money is for a masquerade.
Will you shut up? Even if it's for the registration of your masquerade, can't she hold it by herself? Instead of giving it to those boys to squander.
Which boys go squander? Mama, Ochen don't know if he try him. You know if it.
Don't worry, you will see that he will try it. And try it successfully. So, go and get prepared. Go with him.
Wait.
Now.
So, Mama, you want my sister to follow him to the city?
If I hear your voice one more time, if I hear your voice again, you stand up. Go and get prepared. Oh, do you want to disobey me? Do you want to?
Igwe, you need to penalize those people. You need to penalize them. They humiliated me and other like me. And the important one for that matter, Igwe.
Okanome, are you not ashamed of yourself? Why are you busy chasing your late brother's family up and down? What is the matter with you? I caught you on my CC camera the other day trying to talk my daughter into having loggerheads with Adure. I would have been glad if she had broken your bones in pieces and you are in the orthopedic ward by now. I would be happy to visit you there. What is your problem? Now get out! I said get out of my house now! I'm elder like you, behaving like a kid. Always busy playing Mickey Mouse with little children at the village square. You come back here to remind me that you're a titled man. Fool of the millennium.
In that car. I know what I'm saying.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Did you see her with your eyes?
Yes. I saw her. Despite the car is tinted, I know she's the one. That is Adure.
Adure in that kind of expensive car?
Yes. What is she doing in that car?
Where is Tonto, please?
He should be in his house.
Put him on call immediately. We don't have much time. Please, we need to hurry up now.
Let's call Tonto. Let's go and track that girl.
Are you sure you saw Adure?
Yes, Adure now. I saw Adure. I saw my naked eyes. Let's go and track her.
where is Adore? Mama, where is Adore?
My children, how are you? I hope there is no problem.
Mama, there is no problem. We have decided to fight Adore. Please go inside and bring her out now. I want to beat her up now.
There is problem, oh. Serious one, oh.
Adore!
Wait, Isabel, you're not a man at all. You're not a man. Because you see my sister has traveled out of the village. You now came to claim you're a man, Abi? You want to fight? You're very lucky to have injured my leg. I would have fought myself.
I told you guys now. She was the one I saw in that car. Yes, no, yes.
Are you sure? Oh! So, you even saw her. And you foolishly decided to come and form a code in my house. Don't mind it.
Mama.
Forget
what you are saying. We have to check this house now.
We
have to check this house now. Go inside the lecture house.
Oh, yeah, go inside.
No! You are the cause of all this. Let's go. Are you cause of when I told you to leave her, I do man. Now why? I call you trap. Let's go.
Even with this wound, she will still beat all of us.
I will beat you.
Mama, I'm just beating you. I will enter this house now and sack this house.
I will beat you like the one that sacked you.
This old woman. Let's go.
Go back and attack our back.
I'm going to go back. Let's sit down.
Hey! No kwam. Look what you pack. You know where he had the honey. Oh, where fish? Big for nothing.
I don't get joy in my heart to the bitter like this. I just want to do me like this now. Yeah? I just want to do me like this. Get what I love. Get what I do everything for. Get what they solidly behind. Get what I support no matter the... You know the other now. Yeah? I just want to treat me like this. I just want to make work out of this town with another man without even consulting me, without seeking my consent. Which guy will be this one now? I couldn't do it till I don't stop since.
Chai! This one don't enter my head. This one big past my head. Women are chameleon, no. Women no get trust at all.
See, make una calm down. I know say you dey para, you reach to para. But my hope be say, we never hear from this girl. She know they pick our call. Make we calm down, call her, hear her side of the matter before we begin charging for her.
Let's talk that kind of thing. Don't you want to hear from her again? Huh? You think saying that one day thinking? Maybe one day thinking now, person will just day make up her mind, say if she want make work out with another man. You think saying that one day thinking? Huh? She slept over it definitely. What do you talk? So you don't hear from her.
Guys, what's happening? Why is everything happening so fast?
See, honestly, this is not something you should put in mind. Just let it slide. If she's yours, she'll definitely come back.
It's not about her. It's about my dignity. And not hers. If I had known she would leave this village, I would have fought her a long time ago. I shouldn't have been emotional about her.
Nzube, I don't want you to be thinking about this. She's gone, she's gone. What is at stake now is our future. We should be thinking about our lives.
Yes.
And the way forward.
Yes.
Okay? So, we're ready with you. We got you covered.
Thank you guys. Please for standing by my side when I needed you guys most.
You're welcome.
What are friends for? No. What are friends for?
My lane, Torobom. You have to understand
time that you have to be on their lane.
Welcome to my house.
Oh boy. Oga Nelson.
Yes.
Your house fine, oh. If I where?
You can't see that again.
But why everywhere cold like this?
Cold?
Everywhere too cold.
Must be the AC. I'll just turn it off, okay?
No, leave am. No offer. Make
Are you sure?
I go tell you so, na small. Good thing good.
Of course. Of course.
Hi.
Let me show you to you.
Okay.
Yes. This way.
This life na lesson, it dey teach us lesson, oh. If you don't learn it in a simple way, my dear, you must learn it in a hard way. This life na lesson, oh my dear. Stop judging a book by its cover. Try and open the book and read the contents, for you to know the true identity. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person.
No. Rina, I think you have to stop thinking about Adura for the moment and focus on your life.
Mama, I'm not thinking about Adura. I'm thinking about my life. I'm thinking about how to start a new life for myself and how to start a business. That's the most important thing to me right now.
Why not join your father in his business?
Mama, you know I've turned Papa down so many times now. I don't think Papa will accept me. I'm not sure that one will work.
Not to worry. When he comes back from his business trip, I will talk to him. It is joy of every man when their children shows interest in their business. So don't worry, I'll talk to him.
Mama, thank you so much. But are you sure Papa will accept me?
He is my husband. I know when and where to talk to him, so don't bother yourself.
Oh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I noticed you not eating. Go inside. When you finish eating,
the food is ready. Mama. Now let me go and download.
But when my oga like give me now, when they tell me say I don't already stubborn. Meanwhile, she know they stubborn. God, how beautiful she be. She don't even sabi cook. Wait though. E be like say my oga been like give me make I no come fall in love with Adore. But I go tell you say, I don't see her. I will fall in love. And a coded way. How God.
When you mean all this happening just few weeks?
Few weeks, you said. It happened within 3 days. You have been the one who have been away for weeks.
Yes. So, Igwe, where's Okaneme now? He hasn't visited the palace since then. He hasn't visited. Hi. Oh my God. My presence. Yes, I saw a guy with your luggage. What's going on?
I'm going to Asaba.
The gods of this land guide you and protect you. You say, Oya Valley, you say.
Sure. Alright. Thank you, Daddy.
Please call me when you get Asaba.
I will.
Igwe, sincerely, Princess Annabelle looks so calm for the first time for a very long time now. I know you can say that again. I can't wait for her to get married so that you will bring in another woman into the palace. Or is that what you think?
Oh, be small thing. Oh, be small thing.
Boy like this now, yeah. No, it's the hungry me. It's the hungry me na Canadian lad.
Well, to carry a shower, they hungry me. Why they talk like that?
Oh, God.
What is that?
What did they solve? What did they happen now? What did they solve? Wait now, they're not complete. They're not supposed to be sitting. Where the other one?
Relax, no worry. She dey come. She's on her way.
She dey come. Now, condom she be.
Tired.
Which can't come be that one?
Sorry,
See, we can't continue waiting for her here. At all. I no fit try am.
You don't already tell her my meeting point, Abi?
Yes, now she know. Now she know where we go meet.
Please, let's go. We cannot wait for her. We're going to call her and give her directions.
No, please.
Yes.
No, Mom, just did the push. This village don't tire me.
Guys! Good news. Guys!
I've joined my mother at her chemist now.
Are you
For real? I'm serious.
Are you serious?
Yes, now, yes. The little experience I had in prescribing drugs now is getting huge. Said in 6 months now, she's going to get me my own store. From the, but it's all on me if I want.
I'm going to give person overdose.
No, for real now, for real. Stop, guys, stop. I'm serious.
That's a huge development, you know.
Yes,
it's a good development.
Yes,
but
I'm so happy.
Brother, see, as for me, my father said I should wait for my uncle in Lagos to come back for Easter.
Wow.
Before they can discuss about me.
Wow.
So I just did.
Yours is not bad. Your uncle is rich now. He's going to set you up well.
My guy.
Yes, now.
They know they trust uncle.
I
don't tell her before.
I don't trust uncle at all.
I swear.
Uncle's matter.
I swear.
Man, not this.
His uncle is rich now.
I leave the rich uncle. You self, tell us your own problem.
Yes, tell us your own.
You guys should know by now. I already decided to join my father in the street. Me, I don't get time to check time. No time.
That means you'll be traveling often now.
Steady. Naga. Nabata.
Naga. Wow. You are no longer jobless. Lover boy, former lover boy. I beg. But the thing is that, I'm not surprised. Are you surprised?
I'm not surprised.
I'm not surprised because the girl that trapped you has left.
Yeah. Not so like you now.
That guy was important.
I know now.
I thought I was
my bro. So happy for us.
Yes, my bro. Gladys! The only 3 crates you get for your shop, bring more crates.
Abba, you see now, so my bottle dey leak. E dey leak.
Enjoyment there is good. Now who no get money? Now who go get money say beer today? You know, say beer dey costly. Nonsense.
My bottle dey leak.
Where this boy dey now? Those girls who come. Only one person wey don come. I dey stop. All of them comot. I go call am come.
So that what I think I may go buy a good come.
Don't stay collect one bottle. We gonna collect one bottle. See, your sister leave me travel. Your sister where they ride. You leave me travel. So as you there around now, if you still come around, I'll tell you the whole body.
This one just look more. If her sister no agree, no worry yourself. Woman plenty for what? Woman no fit finish for this woman.
Oh my.
Nick, they also called me, but I can't see myself being part of that heartless fun. No, my sister, Adure's money that they're spending up and down. Something that they should have saved to use it for that masquerade business. Eh?
What do those ones know? Those Others are moving forward, leaving this village, but they are left behind, smoking and drinking away their lives.
Oh Loma, forbid. What I know is that once Adure comes back and they don't give her money, she will kill them. Hey!
Adure will not even have their time. Not at all. She will not have their time.
You are sounding like someone that wants to go and meet them. I don't understand.
God forbid.
Okay.
I will never roll.
Oga, good afternoon.
Robo.
Oga.
What are you doing?
Oga, Princess Annabelle is awake.
What?
Yes.
She's here?
Yes, she did again.
Alright, it's showtime. Now take 5 minutes before you open the gate.
Okay,
okay.
Okay. Don't dear.
Go. Adure! She's here. Okay, it's showtime. So take your time and just get ready.
Right? How are you? Madam, I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine because you're shivering? What's happening? You're shaking.
Madam, I catch cold.
Come on, this hot weather, you're telling me you're catching cold.
Typhoid.
Typhoid? Yes. Don't worry, I'm here. I'm going to buy you drugs, okay? I'll give you money so you sort it out. We'll chat later. Get my bag. Eater.
Madam, okay, bye-bye.
Alright, don't worry. I'll call you.
You know, say the last time when you come here, me and you don't agree. But now something don't change. I think waiting happen. Why my madam change? Again. If I don't go vex with you because who give my madam juju? Who give my madam juju?
Baby, you know you're so stupid, right? Oh, and I like the way you did it with me the first time. I can't wait for us to do it again and again and again. You're so sweet. Isn't it? Oh, I love you. Oh, really? I can't wait. Bound me like never before. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet.
See that?
Yeah.
This life na lesson, it dey teach us lesson. Oh, if you don't learn it in a simple way, my dear, you must learn it in a hard way. This life na lesson. Oh, my dear, stop judging a book by its cover. Try and open the book and read the contents. For you to know the true identity, avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person.
About to man, rock around to Old man!
Ochendo, my son, look at yourself from head to toe. The money that was just given to you, you decided to squander all of them. Instead of you making good use of it or doing something meaningful for your life. You've just succeeded in pulling down the effort of that young girl. Ochendo, you are disgrace. You are useless. As a matter, you are a squandermaniac.
You're a father to the most useless person in town.
And you think I'm proud of that?
Okay, so this is your program.
Nonsense.
Squandermaniac
of the highest order.
You don't sell all our land, huh? I need a DNA test to certify my DNA. Are you even my father? Yeah? You don't go sell all our land, take and they play draft. You come here to advise me. Who are you? Who is you? Who goes you? Where do you fall? Motherfucker.
She's cooking.
Seriously? What's she cooking?
Soup, but I don't know the name of the soup.
I hope it's going to be tasty. Huh?
I pray so.
I'm loving this game. I'm loving it. Let's wait to see the outcome. Cooking soup.
Madam, why are you dishing us rice? Wait, hold on. I thought I saw you cooking soup. Where's the soup? Go into the kitchen, dish me soup now. I don't want to eat rice. Quickly. She's not the one I'm talking to.
This life na lesson, it dey teach us lesson, oh. If you don't learn it in a simple way, my dear, you must learn it in a hard way. This life na lesson, oh, my dear. Stop judging a book by its cover. Try and open the book and read the contents for you to know the true identity.
This your phone, eh? You fine. So that you just say,
My friend, what are you doing here? Huh? Why didn't you knock before entering this room? Are you deaf? What are you doing here?
Mumu, talk now. If you don't want to talk, get out. We were about doing something before you came in. You're disturbing us.
I don't understand. Just leave.
Is she deaf? Are you not hearing us? Get out.
Go.
This life na lesson, it dey teach us lesson, oh. If you don't learn it in a simple way, my dear, you must learn it in a hard way. This life na lesson, oh, my dear. Stop judging a book by its cover. Try and open the book and read the contents for you to know the true identity. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy.
This is too much. She might hurt herself. She might do something stupid to herself. Let me go and talk to her.
Hey. She's not going to do anything stupid to herself. She likes herself too much. You're not going anywhere.
Oga Nelson, I have to go. She's a woman like me. I feel her pain. What we're doing is not nice. No.
I am a man. Alright? I know the pains I felt. You're not going anywhere. You're going to stay in this room. Please.
Oga Nelson, this game,
Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you nothing to be a good person. Avoid to be a public enemy. It will take you.
How's your night, Adire? Fine, and yours?
I believe you're having a mad, wonderful time.
It's right. It's not what you think.
Of course. It's not what I think. But your uncle was right after all. But I did regret the way I treated you. It's okay. You can have him all to yourself. Maybe.
Look, whatever my uncle told you about me is not true. Princess Annabelle. What did my uncle say about me? Princess Annabelle. Princess Annabelle. Princess Annabelle, please don't leave. Please. Look, whatever my uncle told you about me is not true.
What nonsense are you talking about? If she wants to leave, let her leave.
Enough. Oga Nelson, can't you see she's breaking? She's been through a lot. Look, my uncle lied about me. Take a good look at us. Do we look like we're dating? When you walked into the room, you saw him sleeping on the floor. I slept on the bed. Last night was the first time I slept in this room, and that will be the last I will ever sleep on this bed.
She's right.
I don't understand. What's she talking about? What's going on?
All of this is a prank. Igwe is aware of it.
My own father.
Yes.
Why?
Listen, I hope this will work.
I'm not sure, but this is the first time I'm seeing someone she's so scared of. I believe the fear of losing her place to Adure will make her a better person.
Well, you have my permission. I just want my daughter to have a positive attitudinal change. But then, I would not tolerate girls' rubble between my daughter and Adure again. I hope this is clear.
Very well, Your Majesty.
I hope this is clear.
Yes, Your Highness.
Greetings, my presence.
What do you want?
My presence. Your fiancé was here. He came to see the Igwe.
Get out.
My presence, he came with Adure. Yes. And I overheard him telling the Igwe that he is going to the city with Adure. And the Igwe, your father, permitted it.
Father, I heard that Nelson was here with Adure. Is that true?
Is this a new form of greeting?
Good day, Father.
Pardon. I'm listening.
Father, I heard that Nelson came here with Adure.
Is that true?
On the affirmative.
I also heard that he took permission from you to take Adure to Asaba. Is that true?
On the affirmative.
Father! Really? How could you do this to me?
Do what exactly?
How could you, Father? You allowed my fiancé to take a girl, that dirty girl, to his home. Why are you doing this to me? Father, you didn't even care of how I feel.
Princess Annabelle, you are the architect of your own problem. You are not even good at preparing meals for him. You are not functional in domestication. And the young man don't want to kill himself over this, so he employs people who does that for him. And the best you could do, to show gratitude is to fall out with the people he employs every time and ask them to leave his house. The next thing he did was employ someone who you will be afraid of and still be functional in her domestication. So how are you shouting now as if there is thunder in the sky?
Father, I'm shouting. Father, I'm surprised. Father, how could you? Father, just know that he wouldn't have done that if he didn't approve of it.
They should have given him applause for even acknowledging the fact that I'm a king and came here to tell me about it. If that doesn't press you so much, you go to Sabah and sort yourself out.
Is that what you're telling me, Father? Is that? Jeez, Father, you're so unbelievable.
You're not the only one in pains. The day you lost your mother, your sister, your brothers in a gas line motor accident was the day I lost part of me. I was broken. Still, I found the strength to carry on with my life. Go to your fiancé and be that woman that I've always wished for you. You can still be the best of your version. No one else can take that from you. Stop crying. It's okay. You can only be the better person. It's alright. Stop crying. Okay? Everything will be fine.
Oga, good afternoon.
Robo,
Oga.
what are you doing?
Oga, Princess Annabelle is at Dikeh.
What?
Yes.
She's there?
Yes, she did came.
Alright, it's showtime. Now take 5 minutes before you open the gate.
Okay,
okay. Go,
Don't
go,
dear.
Go. Adure! 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 She's here. Okay, it's showtime. So take your time and just get ready.
Baby, I know you're so sweet, right? Oh, You know, I liked the way you did it with me the first time. I can't wait for us to do it again and again and again. You're so sweet. Isn't it? Oh, I love you. Oh, really? I can't wait. Bang me like never before. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet.
See that?
Yeah.
Right? How are you? Madam, I'm fine. Are you sure you're fine because you're shivering? What's happening? You're shaking. Madam, they catch cold. Come on, this hot weather, you're telling me you're catching cold. Typhoid. Typhoid? Yes. Don't worry, I'm here. I'm going to buy you drugs, okay? I'll give you money so you sort it out. We'll chat later. Get my bag. Eater.
I may be stubborn, but I'm not heartless. I don't want to continue with this anymore. I don't want to hurt you. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry for everything we put you through. Everything, like I said, it's all a game. It's all a prank. None is true.
Darling, I'm truly sorry for making you go through all of this. Alright. I was only making sure you understand I need you to be my wife. Then, Princess Annabelle. Okay? You were becoming too arrogant and your father and I had to come up with a plan. And this is it. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
Sorry. We are sorry. You mean nothing?
Nothing.
I'm sorry. No, I'm so sorry.
It's alright. It's alright, darling. Okay.
How are you, Mama? I'm fine, as you can see your mother.
Sister, sister, come. I have just for you.
Wait, hold on now. Let me greet Mama first.
No, sister, leave Mama later.
Allow her.
Mama, wait now, sister.
Your sister just arrived. Allow her to rest.
What do you want to talk about?
Sister, it's very important I say it now. If I don't say it now,
let's go.
Let's go.
Mama, we are coming. Hey! Allow my daughter to greet me and let me hug her well.
Ochindo and his men have been spending the money you gave them for our masquerade carelessly.
It's not supposed to be a gossip now. I know they'll spend money on smoking and drinking. As a matter of fact, I came with enough money to cover up whatever expenses they must have incurred.
Sister, it's like you don't understand what I'm trying to tell you. They are spending the money on women at Mama Nkechi's bar. I am very sure they are still there right now. What? Yes.
Mama, hold my bag. Hold it.
Mama, we are coming. Dikeh, Adure, where are you taking your sister to? You are picking up fights already. I wonder how this little Nkendika will be controlling a grown-up person like Adure. Eh?
Where is boy there now? Huh?
Then calm down. I said I may go buy me loud.
Don't doubt too crazy, so you should buy loud. Huh?
Calm down. You know what you put there. Now him and the girls go now. You know whether they branch.
Enjoy
One go buy one of them.
Now show it pay. After which way now wait?
My money not the waste like this. My money not the waste. Give me this.
Never reach like this now.
The man.
Never reach like this now.
My money the waste like this. The crest.
I don't never reach like this now. Not here.
I force you.
Not here.
What if this nonsense? What if this?
I don't know. You never reach like this now.
I will punch you.
Let me come on.
Let's say you know where. What if they walk on that? Eh?
Where am I?
Never reach like this now. This is not here. Just come carry beer throw away like that. That's what they do for that place.
Ukamaka. Eh? What? Hey. Kasala don't boss. What happened?
Hey! As we speak, Adore is back to town. She just came into town right now.
Hey, that is good now. Come. I want to be the one to gossip my brother. Come on, let's go.
Oh yeah. I said there is trouble.
Talk now. Which
Let me tell you. Adore is beating up your brother at Mama Nkechi's bar.
Hey! Come and join me now. You there?
Guy, where is Dabere now? Where is Dabere? This is one thing I don't like about that guy. He's never serious. Should I be the one waiting for him now?
Relax, Dabere will come. I know.
We have been waiting for him for how long now? See time.
Let's give him a little time. He will come. Dabere will be here. Oh, here he comes.
Guys, you guys just missed out this afternoon, honestly.
See, why is it that you are always late?
Adure is back. Not just that. I saw her beating Uchendo mercilessly in Mama Nkechi's shop. She scattered the bar, guy.
Hey, are you serious?
I'm serious now. I'm not joking. I'm serious.
Not even. I mean, I know that you are serious, but I'm thinking about Ochendo's situation right now because that girl is something else.
I swear. See, she beat that guy mercilessly, black and blue. Even called him an idiot. I was just laughing. That was why I wasted time now.
Oh, babe, don't show.
Wait, guys, see, you know what? This is the best time to fight.
I don't think that is necessary. We have overgrown such things now. We can't be doing that. We have business that we are doing. We are big boys now. Can you be thinking about beating Adure?
Somto, we are talking about my dignity here. I need to restore my lost dignity. I need to fight Adore and defeat her in the public.
I don't support you. You can't. That is not the only way to restore dignity. You can't do such thing again now. You're not a big boy. You're a big boy. I'm a big boss.
Guys, just calm down. I have a plan.
Adore, you don't fear me. You don't fear me. You don't fear me for this time. If not be the kind of love I get for you, I go sound you. I go really sound you, Adore. Who you be? No. Who you be? Because oh, they tell me. People they tell me, but I no quick listen. How woman I want to be my leader? When me day, Odogu day, woman I come day. I can give you that mind. Yeah? You come where they pursue all the girls where they manage. All the girls where they manage. I say, man, just arrange them, go one corner, go do the do. Since when me and you there, I never see you, Shema. Come pursue them, huh?
Can you just stop calling me names? Meaning what? Are you better than I am? Yes, I followed them out because I needed money for my upkeep. Oh yes, I'm better than you because I can never lie to you as my friend. You are a disgrace to friendship. Yes, I've heard you. Then stop being my friend. Look at this one. Stop being my friend. Look at this one. Who is your friend, Kwanu? See, let me tell you something. I just wanted to shame you. Then before I'm going to cut you off. Yes, really? Yes. Are you done? Yes, I'm done. Bye-bye. Foolish, don't worry. We will meet again. We will meet again.
Where is Adore? Come outside! Come out! Come out! Come outside, we don't shoot. Are you tired of running? You again? Yes, I'm here, Mama. I'm back.
Scare cow.
Are you not tired of running? You scare crowd.
Me run.
Yes.
You don't whine. See, I hear say when I come home from you come find me, what did they stop?
I came to look for you because I'm ready to fight you now, and you have to do it this time. ASAP! No time for job this time. No time, what you do?
Rose, I want to ask you one question. Are you not tired of being disgraced by me in this village? Are you not tired of provoking my anger?
Adore, I am here to challenge you, and if you defeat me this time at the village square, you will earn my respect forever. Aso.
In the village square. He said at the village square. I love you. I start with beat you again.
Come on, point your mouth.
You won't fight forever.
Yes, and I'm ready to do it this time.
No,
not now. We have to wait for the AK market day, so the public can watch me disgrace you. Yes. You want?
So, it is now a wrestling ground, Abby.
Yes, Mama. I got people.
So, you are calling for wrestling?
Yes, Mama. Yes. Okay, fine, Mama. If she defeats me, she will earn my respect forever. But if I defeat her, she will be in my team for 1 year. Yes. 1 whole year.
Deal.
Fine. See you later.
No,
I don't go now. I'm not worried. I go see.
We are waiting.
No wahala.
May you not fight.
What? I just want to be sure. Has your son signed his death warrant? Because I know Adure will not spare him.
Now, Igwe, let me ask you. What if my son wins?
If that happens, then your son should be, very ready for my blessings to them in their wedding, because he has proven to the whole world that he is the only man who can control Adure and defeat her and put her under the control.
Igwe, marriage?
Of course.
So that is what my son deserves, to prove that there are actually men in this kingdom. Marriage.
Oh no. Your son is not trying to prove that there are men in this kingdom. He is going to prove that he is the real man for Adure in this kingdom. And my reward for that is my blessing.
Before we continue, I wish to say thank you to my beautiful daughter-in-law for putting all the pains she locked up behind her. It is good you let go of all. Thank you.
Mommy, Daddy, once again, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you so much for being patient with me. I truly appreciate it. God bless you.
Bless you too, my daughter.
Thank you.
What about me?
Well, I want to thank all of you for this renewed happiness in the house. On that, I would like to present a toast.
Wow.
Stand up, all of you. This toast is for our heart. and better life ahead.
Amen.
And to my son and daughter-in-law, I pray for your better love,
Amen.
better days ahead,
Amen.
for a sweet marriage,
Amen.
beautiful things behind.
Amen. Cheers. Cheers.
All right, everybody, are you ready? Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah! Okay, this wrestling has 3 rounds, but could end in 2. And the only way to win is to throw your opponent to the ground and the back touches the ground and count to 3. The win. If Adure wins you, your masquerade team will join her own team. But Adure, if Winsube wins you, your masquerade team will join. Are you ready, everybody? Are you ready?
If you look for her trouble, you there for trouble. Where she come from? I see me make it up. You there for trouble. Where she come from? Ebu mo goji aje, mama chukolo. Ebu kemi goji, mama chukolo. Ebu mo goneti, mama chukolo. Ebu mo goneti, mama chukolo. Adule wani wani never see. If I talk on me, adule wani wani never see. If I talk on me, if you look for her trouble, you never trouble. Where she come from? I see me make it up. You never trouble. Where she come from? Ebu mo goji aje, mama chukolo. Ebu kemi goji, mama chukolo.
Yeah. Oh no. Take it. Oh yeah, the other man, okay? The man, oh yeah. The man, uncle. No. The marriage is blessed. I am happy to be in your presence, I must say. I want to thank Uzube here and Adure for merging together and giving us a beautiful masquerade group, which has given credence to a wonderful performance we have all experienced here at Benicio. Having said this, I want to tell you that a friend of mine who flew in from the United States of America, from the city of Ohio, came for a purpose. He is an erudite fellow of the University of Massachusetts, a promoter of culture. Before I will say a word further, I would want to invite him to the floor to give us the reason he has decided to grace this event to make it a creme de la creme of what we are seeing today.
Thank you, Honest. My people, I'm not a man of too much words.
That's him.
I've told my friend, Igwe Babala, that this masquerade team will follow me back to America.
in the forthcoming Igbo Traditional Festival in America.
If you look for her trouble, you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pay. Asumi make it up a you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pay. Ebu mongo jeje, ima bachi kololon kolon. Ebu kene go jeje, ima bachi kololon kolon. Ebu mongo neti, ima bachi kololon kolon. Ebu mongo neti, ima bachi kololon kolon. Adule wani wale never see. If I tell you konene. Adule wani wala go. Never see. If I try to konene. If you look for her trouble, you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pay. Asumi make it up a